Morning, everybody. I've been up for an hour, can't sleep, so here we go. Looking at a couple trades. Let's see, did my signal send? They did. Okay, the message went out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see if we can find the live. I'm live on TikTok, that I see. Good morning, everybody. Okay, we're live on YouTube. Got to get that YouTube channel set up. The question on the live is, what does the NVIDIA and gold have in common? And I put the mainstream media. We'll explain what that is. We're going to go over a lot of things this morning. We have time. First of all, I'd like to thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with Him, another day of. Then I just go on to thank Him for everything, from my beautiful wife to my children to the friends that I have. And that's my prayer. And I ask Him to guide me to be able to help reach each and every one of you so I can help you retire if you want to. Okay, I think we're fired up on YouTube now. I don't know. Is anybody here? That is the question. Let's see what we got going on. Miami rocks. Good morning, Miami rocks. Well, you up early if you're in Miami. Mr. C, good morning, Mr. C and Michael 808. Good morning, Jamal and Mariah and Richard. Oh, Glow, what's up, Glow? I'm so glad to hear your messages you sent me. So happy for you, my friend. Yay, Mike Glowinski, kicking ass trading now. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Mr. C. Morning, Miami. Morning, Peter and Zay. I sent out a couple messages on gold yesterday. This is the first time right here. These are all my substitute when I sent you out the Discord messages here. Let me go over these for you. I sent out, let's see, we're going to go down to our room. I said, thank you, Kim. I agree. 30-minute blue line touch gold TP is one. So I told you all that. And then I came over and said, ricochet alert, ricochet. I just think that's funny. 30-minute buy stop on gold has turned into a ricochet trade back to his 30-minute blue line. Please take any demo trade from the 5. And then here we go. And then that was then. And then this is what does gold have in common. So this is the buy here. This is the winner chicken dinner ricochet. Gold has ricochet to his 30-minute blend is complete. So then yesterday at 26 p.m. So my point is I'm giving you exact trades to take, and let's go ahead and see those how they worked out. Wardy Tila channel. Oh geez, another. We'll keep an eye on that one. All right. So here we go. From the call yesterday, when I told you live to take the buy on gold, 26.22, and it went up to 26.70, 71. So basically, you're looking at $50 an ounce. So this is the first call I made. Matter of fact, we got to put in what time? 6:31. It said. Let me see what time 6 p.m. is. 11. Has to be 2100 right here. Okay. So the first call in blue was here. That was yesterday morning on the live. We made $50 an ounce trading up to the blue line. The second call I made was right here on the blue line, and that was given through the our channel's Discord, and that produced from 2,647 again to about 2,670, 70, 71. So 2,671. And my call went out here at 2,646. $25 an ounce. So your first call would have netted you 50. The second call would have netted you 25, and they're still going. So those are my free call outs. Just on gold from yesterday and yesterday evening. This is the call out in the Discord. Is anyone, there's just a few of you watching, but has any one of you taken those trades? Morning, Larry. Okay, I'm going to go with that as a no. 12-hour buy, nice. Daily buy, nice. Ooh. Larry Cooper said yes. Oh, nice, Larry. Cool. I know there's just very, very few of you on right now. I'm going to do something I rarely do. Normally, I close down all these trades. So we start at 8,900 or something. I'm going to keep these extra runners open. I normally close down to 1. I'm going to keep these open I'm going to lock in profit, and I'm just going to keep these trades open. 23.29 and 13.38. Let me make sure I have these set up right. Hold on a second. Let's go back down to the 30-minute. When was this one? Sorry. 23.29. So I didn't take the trade right when I called it. So we're going to go over to 23 right here. Looks so much better on the ricochet than it does here. Isn't that funny? But anywho, let me zoom this in a little so we can get a little better view. There we go. And what was my other trade? This is the one. Yeah, 13.38. This is the one I took live with you guys yesterday. 13.38. There we go. Okay, now we're on the exact times of my trades. Oh, wow. All right. Boy, how do we put that down? We'll come back to that one. Let me take this off right here. In the midnight hour. It's actually, I think I'll be doing the testing again. Okay. Demo fast money. Let's go whip through that real quick. And then let me ask you a question, whoever is here. I don't know who's still there. But wasn't gold supposed to go down during the Trump presidency? Isn't that what I heard? Wasn't gold supposed to be going down? I could have swore I heard that. So here you go. Gold was supposed to be going down. And let's flip over to NVIDIA. NVIDIA, big, huge. They came out and doubled their expectations. They beat expectations, and they did this and they did that, and everything was fantastic. And yeah, they just tripled it and quadrupled it. It's a buy, by the way. NVIDIA was this, and NVIDIA was that, and NVIDIA was supposed to do this, and the earnings came out, and the earnings were fantastic. So gold was supposed to come down during the Trump presidency, and NVIDIA earnings came out, and they were through the roof. Unbelievably good. See the positive earnings right here? It was a 5-minute sell stop. So let me be clear. The 5-minute sell stop said, and it was to the blue line, by the way, 5-minute sell. I taught you yesterday. 5-minute sell stop went to the blue line. The earnings were positive. Wasn't good morning, Guy Berger. Refresh my memory here. Refresh my memory, if you would. Let's just take a look at something. Shall we? Okay, so here, let's just take a look at this. Oh, I got my papers to write down my call outs. I'm so excited. All right, sorry. All right. 1, questions. 1, wasn't gold supposed to go down since Trump got elected? 2, aren't stocks like NVIDIA supposed to go up with positive earnings? Laugh my ass off. The lies we are told. The truth is we are taught the, I'm going to put this as nicely as I can, wrong things about trading. Otherwise, you can't explain it. The safety trade system sets you free. Okay. So let's be clear on this. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jared. Good morning, Barry Deutsch. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I mean, let's be all honest here. Let's be reasonably and honest. This is the truth. The truth is we were told that Trump got elected, and that's why gold was going down. And gold has gone straight up. Aren't stocks like NVIDIA supposed to go positive earnings? Their earnings came out yesterday, and yet it went straight down. Who here knows what this is? Anybody at all that's awake and cognitive? Right where I'm pointing to. What's inside of here? Is this a buy stop or a sell stop? Right inside of here. Is this a buy stop or a sell stop before earnings? Before NVIDIA's earnings. What is this right here? Let's see. I got an AS. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure Michael meant SS, sell stop. Larry says sell stop. Michael says sell stop. Miss C says sell stop. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. So this is clearly, even if you're just scamming from my channel, you know that this is a sell. This means this is going to go down. This is before earnings. You see all this? You see what's here? Matter of factly, why am I doing that? My bad. Hold on a second. I forgot. We have the ability to time travel. So let's go back in time and let's take a look, shall we? In a book, reading Rainbow, I can trade anything. All right, let's do our little hook. We're going to come back in time to right here. I teach you this stuff every day. This is NVIDIA 5-minute. This is NVIDIA 5-minute. Their earnings are about to come out. This is calling for a sell stop. And not only is it a sell stop, it's a sell stop to the blue line. You're going to see the pink cross right here. So how in the world, if they come out with better than expected earnings, outstanding, like a billion, 13 billion, 1.3, whatever it was outrageous amount of profit. Our system calls for a sell. It should go straight up. The earnings, when they're announced, let's watch. This is literally what happened. Here we go. Okay. Here comes the earning announcement. Here it comes. Y'all ready? Look, this is our first in. You can take your in here. You can put your sell stop on the green or the yellow or the orange line, or you could take it when it crossed right back there. Either way, doesn't matter. Red, 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 green, a broken Bach now, I might add. And there it is. There's your earnings. Right when earnings came out, first of all, it's a scam how they do that. I don't want to get into that. But they dropped it so hard and so fast. Correct, Larry. Larry Cooper says the news is BS. It is. And there it is. This is so someone here, defend earnings. Defend. Come on. There's 26 of you there. So we got about 50 people between all the platforms. Every one of us was taught, or look at it. Earnings. If earnings are good, positive, the stock goes up. Isn't that what we're taught? Oh, am I so sleepy that I don't have a clue of what I'm talking about, or am I right? I'm going to play that back, and I'm going to send a recording. Okay, so I'm going to play this back one more time for a family member of mine who needs to be helped. Okay, so I'm going to say this all over again so we're clear. I'm sure he's sleeping. All right, here we go. Now let me just grab this, and I got to get it, and then I got to send this off. Okay, here we go. Morning. I hope that you sound asleep. Listen, they said gold was going to go down. It's up $50 an ounce. Safe Trade called it. We traded it. And then they said earnings. Remember, we were always taught earnings are with the positive. This is NVIDIA. There's a 5-minute sell. Here's their exact earnings and what happens. There's the earnings announcement, and there's the drop. I'm asking everybody on my live to explain how the drop could be. How can this possibly be a drop when they beat earnings and expectations? Just asking. Okay, so that's the somebody right there. What's up, Barani? What's up, Nan? Good morning, Nan. Good morning, Barani. You would think so, yeah. Anybody want to defend how the earnings on NVIDIA went straight down. I can tell you it was a 5-minute sell stop to the blue line, by the way, to be clear. Our system can tell you that the earnings doesn't matter. Our system can tell you, but can any of the 50 of you tell me how it had better than expected earnings by tons of it beat expectations beyond comprehension. I saw TikTok after TikTok on NVIDIA's earnings and it went down. NVIDIA's earnings and it went down. Rock Alice. Well, yep, they are collecting the stop losses. They're collecting contracts. But no. That is a conspiracy of what they're doing. What you are taught is if there's positive earnings, price goes up. That's what we're taught, period. Now, we all know that they make price go down before they yank it up because they're collecting the stop losses, correct. But that's not what's supposed to happen when a company comes out with, and it's a huge company, with better than expected earnings. Okay? But Rack Alice has a good point. But that's not defending. That doesn't make, what I'm asking is, how do you defend mainstream teachings of trading that when earnings come out, price goes up? If it's positive, if it's negative, it comes down. There is no explanation. Period. And then here's one. I distinctly remember somebody was saying, wait for your buy stops on gold, gold buy stops, just hang in there on the gold. We're going to have a buy. Not only did I say it, but I traded it. Not only did I call it, but I traded it hard with you guys. These are my trades. Okay, let me move this over a little bit. Okay. These are my trades. These are my call outs. Exactly when I went in was yesterday when I called the buy to the blue line. Yesterday evening when I called out on our. So when I sent these Discord signals out, ricochet alert. When I sent this out, winner, winner, chicken dinner, when it went and touched this blue line right here, see how much prettier it looks before it pulls up high. So again, we all know gold was going to go down, but when the system calls for it, it doesn't go down, it goes up. When it was I literally go back and watch yesterday's live. It was such a beautiful thing. For 3 hours, we watched it go up, 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 up. Then it went all the way up, and then it came down. We went back, and then we called it for. Let me close this out. Then we called the ricochet back up. Let me close this down. It's just incredible. So this trade was called out, sent out, put on the Discord, and I didn't care if Trump was elected and gold was supposed to go down. I didn't care. That didn't matter to me. Trump got elected. Gold was supposed to go down. Okay. What else? Oh, I don't know. NVIDIA came out, one of the hugest stocks in the world came out with positive earnings and price went down. I'm going to have to drive this home to you because some of you still believe that we're taught the right way, that when earnings come out, they're positive, the stock goes up. It's old fashioned. It's not true. It's not accurate. Oh, but because Trump was elected, gold's going to go down. It's not true. What the media tells you are lies. What you're taught are lies. What the media tells you are lies. what they're taught are lies. So the next time I come over, which I'll be doing soon, and I come over to our type form, and I come over to here, and I say, hey, it's a fact. The old ways of trading fail 99% of the time. That includes, let's add this up. That includes the lies of good earnings and the stock goes up. NVIDIA 11, 21, 24 is your example. Okay. Now, again, this isn't optional. This isn't a probability or a maybe. It's a fact that includes the old ways of trading. So when people trade the news, for instance, let me go ahead and come back over and give you the example of NVIDIA again. We have to get that. What's up, Kev Boyle? Kev Boy. What's up, Rhinus? Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. That includes, where's my NVIDIA? There it is. This, right? This, when you look at NVIDIA, and you clearly see this is a sell stop to the 5-minute blue line right here. It includes this. So the earnings, so if someone was going to trade the news, they're going to trade earnings. Oh, earnings came out, NVIDIA's stock is going to shoot up because there's good earnings. That's false. Sevens, if you all understand that the lies of good earnings and the stock goes up, that is a trading technique. That is a trading strategy that probably 99% of all financial analysts use. And I'm showing you a live example of it where it's false. Good morning, Jan. Fly to the sky, Flyowski. Good morning, Janet. So you guys have to understand the lies of how we're trading doesn't matter on earnings at all. It doesn't matter that Trump got elected in office and gold was supposed to go down. They are lies. There's no correlation at all between the earnings and what NVIDIA does. But it goes up and eventually it's going to go up. Yes, eventually it's going to go up, but not because of the earnings. What? That's impossible. Gee, I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, there happens to be a buy stop filling the gap daily, but it wasn't down low enough. Maybe, just maybe, there was a 12-hour fill in the gap buy stop NVIDIA, 7-hour buy stop, actual buy stop. So there's a 7-hour daily buy stop. The earnings had nothing to do with this. Well, but the value of the stock and the price earning ratio, the PE ratio, I know all that shit. I know all of that shit. It's going to eventually go up because there is a 7-hour daily buy stop. The earnings came out and it went down. And still going down, by the way. Buy stop. NVIDIA 144.18. Buy stop. NVIDIA 143.20. I don't give two rats' ass about earnings. Buy stop. NVIDIA. I don't care if NVIDIA keeps falling to the floor of doom. Buy stop NVIDIA. Rule number 7, follow it down. Buy stop NVIDIA. Am I clear? Buy stop NVIDIA. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. Good morning, Sally. Some of you have to be freed of your knowledge that earnings, good earnings means price go up. Some of you need me to say this 1,000 times for the past 15 minutes, 30 minutes now. that price earnings, your PE ratio, how much doesn't matter. News doesn't matter. What matters is there was a sell stop 5-minute to the blue line and it went down. And there's another sell stop. By the way, it's going to drop even further before it goes up. Just follow it on the way down. And the whole fiasco, the gold's going to go down. Gold will never go higher. It's at its high. Gold this, gold. Really? Well, there's gold. Here's your 30-minute gold. Here's my buy lines on gold yesterday. All day for 3.5 hours, you saw me play gold on a buy. Then I sent out the message. Those of you who have the system, I strongly suggest you get the, but these are signal room. You go into the signal room, you will learn that when I send out these signals, I've never missed. It'll happen when I miss, but it sure hasn't happened anytime ever yet. This is Kim calling it out. This is me calling it out. By the way, there's a Black Friday deal, 70% off. Usually it's 90%, 70% off for TradingView. You might want to get that. That's a side note for anybody out there listening. Little freebie. Okay. Here's a ricochet alert yesterday. I told you all 30-minute buy stop ricochet to the blue line. Take any buy stop you can find. This is gold. This is my time when I made that call. Not only did I make the call, I entered the call multiple times. Some of you just saw I was at 8,900. Now I'm at 10,000. This is the gold call on the ricochet. This is the gold call I made yesterday. I'm not getting out of this gold call. I'm going to stay in this gold call. I'm going to stay in this fucking gold call unless it taps me out, because this is a daily, weekly buy stop. And we're not even started on it yet. I may be able to hold this call. I may be able to hold these gold calls if it doesn't dip too hard back down, because it still isn't finished yet. I'll get back in if it does anyways, but I might be able to hold these gold calls for several months. And I rarely hold more than one runner. But you may see me hold these gold calls for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months. We'll see. If it taps me out, I'll make profit. I'll lock all these in. It's no problem. But there's going to be a time when this weekly goes down low enough that I'm comfortable that I'll be driving in 10 or 15 of these trades. Okay. Free your mind. Abso-fucking-lutely. You guys have to understand, when I tell you this and I say facts, the old ways of trading fail 99% of the time. And of course, we're quoting the great Dave Ramsey. Less than 1% of traders are actually profitable, but yet we're all taught these ways. Okay. This is NVIDIA. Their earnings were a lie. Gold. Gold can't go up because Trump's in office. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say that's a $10,000 lie. I'm going to go ahead and take that. It's $10,000 to the good to me. Because the system overrules. The system is the only true way. When it shows a buy stop, okay, and it was a 30-minute buy to the blue line. When it shows this, it's doing it. Not only did it do it, I told you all fucking... hold on. Oh, here. Okay. I told you this is the signal service, the new and improved thing we're handing out to you guys for free. Told you a gold buy stop here, here, and here. I called it here. Then I called it again here, gap fill, and it's been right. So everything that I'm about to teach you can be summed up in the great coding by the great Keith Palmer. These are golden. I told you it was going to go up to the blue line, and it's going to go past it. And not only is it going to go up to the blue line and past it, it's going to keep going, but it's going to pull back a little right now when this hooks and comes back. But the longer term trend, it's going to keep going up. So I hope that I'm clear, and I'll bring it up for the last time. Yes, I'm clear to all of you watching. We're up to over 60, 70 people now. Gold was supposed to go down when Trump got elected. We're going to go over that lie, and we're going to show you the trades and how to trade it in fucking detail, step by step, exactly how to take this trade, how I called it, why I called it, what was going through my mind. And then say, yes, if you understand, aren't stocks like NVIDIA supposed to go up with positive earnings? I could have swore that if the earnings were good, the stock goes up and NVIDIA dropped like a rock. Please type yes if you understand that we are being taught the wrong way, that the media is not our friend. What they teach us in school about trading is lies. The safety trade system does set you free. I'd like to see at least a couple yeses. Thank you, Larry. Poor Larry. He's the one that does great, and he's over there. Michael 808. YouTubers, I'm going to need some yeses to stay on over here, because this is just ridiculous to me. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you, Glow. I mean, what in the world? Oh, Trump's in office. Gold's going to go down. And it may, but it ain't now. When the safety trade system says it will, it will. Not until before then. Exciting news on another front for you guys. There's a new product we're going to be releasing soon. It's going to be the Safety Trade System Crypto Edition, TSTS Crypto Edition. You guys won't need it, but it's going to come preloaded with certain indicators and signals in there, specifically honed in just for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. I mean, $20 an ounce on it. Thank you. I closed it because I thought, now I don't want to be greedy. Now I wish I was greedy. Jan, no, you did profit. Congratulations, Jan. Yay. All right. So now we're able to do a lot of things. I'm going to go ahead and teach you all. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and find us some fast money. Okay. So in our little thing, some of you may or may not have heard the prayer I prayed, but let's go over to here. We're going to go, this is exactly how I trade. I get up in the morning. I thank God. I basically don't ever stop thanking God. I thank Him from every breath. I say, thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, another day of spiritual closeness with you. Thank you for my beautiful wife, Bree, being in my life. Thank you for my 2 children being in my life, for Bree being healthy and happy, my children being healthy and happy. Thank you for, and I just keep thanking Him for everything. And I also thank Him for me being able to reach each and every one of you, to be able to help you all retire if you want to. That is really, honestly, to be able to retire if you want to. And I thank Him for that. I say, thank you, God, for letting me be able to reach the people when I talk to them so they can retire if they want to. I really do. I honestly believe that. I do all my stuff. Now, I've been holding on this because me and my wife have been doing this together. Me and Bree have been doing this together. So I kind of hold on this, but I will do this usually before I trade, but now it's been held to after, but still I do this. I look at the H&H. I was just sneaking over there. I was just looking over here. Either we got some buy stops coming up over to here, and I'll teach you that reversal trade again, how it has happened. It was all red yesterday, and now they're green going up. So I'll explain that too. So we're going to look. My first instinct here is, are these all 3 minute to the 3 minute buy stops, or do we have some minute sells? So we're going to go off our gold. We'll go over to here. We're going to go to 3 minute and 3 minute NAS. 3 minute buy. Play any buy stop 1 second through 3 minute to the 3 minute blue line of SPX and NAS. Now, after that, is there a 5 minute sell? There is. 5 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute sell stop NAS. I like these better. Not 5 minute sell stop SPX. So there you go. But we'll get back to those in just a second. Okay. So I get up, I pray, I thank God. I usually do my physical stuff. I look at the H&H scanner. I look at these rules. I go back over to the weekly, see if I can find some weekly, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever, and that's how I trade, and that's what I look at. Okay. So we come back over to here. We're going to come back to fast money, and I'm going to rip off a few things. I just told you what to look for. All right. One second sell stop, NAS. 1 second. Love this. Play any play. Well, hell, we ain't got nothing else. Play 1 second sell stop. SPX to the blue line. Love the trade. Love the 1 second sell stop. Absolutely. Play any NAS, SPX, US 30. Yeah. Sell stops to the 1 second blue line, US 30 and NAS and SPX. Okay. So let me just put that right over here so we just have a little movement right there. Now, after that, one minute, 3 minute buy stop US 30. NAS. Yeah, I love this trade. Love this trade. 1 minute buy stop NAS. SPX to the blue line, by the way. 1 minute buy stop SPX to the blue line. You'll see that little dip, and then you're going to see this buy. Love the buy. 1 minute buys to the blue line of NAS, SPX, and US 30. Gold. 1 second sell to the 5 second blue line. Gold. 1 second sell to the 5 second blue line. It's going to hook up. Put your sell right here at 2667.88, and it will go down to here. Let me see the 1 seconders. Yeah, I ain't got time for that. All right. Gold. I wouldn't play any sells, by the way, on gold. Fuck that. I would stick with the buys. Gold's in that upturn. Yeah. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop gold. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop gold. I just love these trades. Doesn't mean it's not going to reset and come. Of course, it always does. That's how they're made. Nope. Buy stop. Buy stop. 1 hour to the 1 hour blue line. 3 hour. 4 hour. 12 hour. Daily buy. Love the daily buy gold. It's not quite complete. You're going to yell at me. I can't help it. I prefer this to come all the way down. I think we're going to see a little more downward pressure when this purple thing comes down the cross right here. You're going to see a little bit more of a gap. So you can lock in. This is how I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to lock in profit. I'm going to put my entry, my stop loss right above entry, right about here. If it dips down harder than that again, which it may, it'll tap me out. I'll take my profit. I'll get out of the trade. Okay. But the reality is, this has a very, 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 very good chance of not getting tapped out. So we'll see. Right now, we're up $50 an ounce. We're up $10,000, $9,000. I'm happy with that. I'm good. But the daily, weekly gold is just, it's prime. This is how I think it's going to play, though. It's just a matter of will it go down low enough or not. So this is gold. It's going to come like this. It's going to come hook. Is it going to go down to here again and hook up? I think it's going to do this. I think it's going to come here, hook, come down right before then and hook and go back up. So maybe this is the middle of the W, in case you didn't understand. It could do it. Now, it may very well come down and hook like that and do it. I don't know. What I do know is we have our first entry off the pink crossing right here. The problem is we do not have the weekly low enough. This weekly needs to pull back down more. So I'm in it. We're up 10 grand. I'm not going to complain. Hopefully you all understand what I'm saying about gold. I would only look for those buys and just be patient. That's what I'm saying. Okay, next, oil. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just for fun, blah, blah, blah. Oil. Let's see, oil. 1 second buy stop. 10 second, 50. Oh, oil's been, I knew it, told you it was going up. I didn't want to tell you it was going up, but I told you it was going up. Now, fuck it. Damn oil. Yep, there it is, the 30-minute. There you go. To be clear, play any buy stop you can get on oil 1 second through 30-minute to the 1 hour blue line is hit. Matter of fact, I remember distinctly saying I was shocked that it didn't go up and hit the 2 hour blue line. Well, guess what? I'm going to be right again. It's going to go up to the 2 hour. I knew it. There's no way that it was not going to do that. Anywho, take the buy stops until the 1 hour blue line is hit on oil. Hey, I got my whoa. I got a little thing over here. I need a clipboard. I got my little this is so cute. I got my little thing. Oh my goodness, what's today's date? The 21st. I have a little form I'm going to use to keep track of everything. Gold, weekly, daily buy stop. Oil, take any. This is great. Take any 1 hour. So any buys to the 1 hour blue line. So any buy stop. Oh, this is fucking great. Oh my God. Now what? Now I'm going to be able to track my call outs my own fucking self because no one else is doing it. All right. We're going to win on that goal of that oil, I tell you. It's US and UK oil. All right. Good morning, Larry Cooper. God bless you too and everybody listening. Now let me go back here real quick. Catch our yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say the 1 second sells to the blue line. Play any 1 second sell till SPX's blue line until it's touched right here. So 1 second US 30 hit, NAS hit, SPX is in the money. All right. Then we have, let's see over here, 10 second. Yep. No, there we go. We have a 30-second 1 minute buy. Yep. Love this. This is SPX. Ricochet buy stop, SPX, NAS, and not US 30. SPX buy ricochet to the 1 minute blue line. So the 1 minute blue line is for NAS, Rick O'Shea. Rick O'Shea. This is gorgeous. Let's see if I'm right. We know what we need, the time on the top of this. So this is our ricochet being called out at 12:54. So 12, we're going to need times on this. Damn it. Because I'll never know when I go back over it. All right. So you made money on your sells on US 30, NAS, and SPX. The weekly daily buy on gold, we've called that out yesterday and yesterday evening. The oil is a 1 hour to the blue line buy. Now all the haters are really going to hate it because now I'm going to document my own fucking trades. People out there. Oh my God. All right, where are we at? By the way, here's your ricochet on SPX. Touchdown, close enough, in the money. NAS. Yep, touchdown in the money on the ricochet to the blue line. It touched it on NAS. Of course, you're going to see US 30 go up, but it's already past this blue line. That's how you know you're good. So we made money on those trades this morning. You're welcome. Yay, talking about fast money, but let's keep going. All right, we called out oil, ERUSD. Let's see if there's any fast money here to be. It doesn't look like it. Oh, 1 second buy. 1 second buy stop. I don't know if it's going to pull it. Let me see. Hold on. Ooh, no. I don't think you're going to get that. It's not even clear. Nope, I'm not calling that. Take that back. I don't care if it goes up or not. Nope, negative. Oh, I got to turn this off. Sorry. Let me turn this off. Sell. 10 second, 15 second. Nope. I'd play the sell, and there's nothing to call anyways to any blue line. Let's see where she's heading to. Oh my goodness. Free fall. We're never going to see that daily hook in, I bet. Daily, weekly. weekly, 3 weekly, nothing to call. It is a monthly. I told you that I'm going to see this go below here, below 0.95. I've been calling that for fucking over a year, though. It takes forever. So yeah, that I'm not calling. There's nothing to call on ERU USD. GBP JPY, 1 second. Buy, but that's not anything good. Oh, yes, it is. Play any 1 second, 5 second. Buy, stop. This is GBP JPY. We're at the 10-second blue line. So we have buy stops to the 10-second blue line. How exciting. GBP JPY, baby. And then let's go back to here. 3-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 15-minute sell to the 2-hour blue line. Then you can play anything to the 3-hour. I need to go higher time frames here. 3-hour blue line. So that's our 3-hour. I don't like playing sells on GBP JPY, so I'm not calling any of that. Daily. Why is this doing this? What is this? What the fuck is going on? All right, let's try that again. All right. Weekly buy. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is I would do a buy. I would take anything on this. This is a 3-week buy. Any buy stops you can find. This is gorgeous. Woo! I got to have my favorite on this too. All right. So that's GBP JPY. Goodbye, Jan. Have a good morning. God bless you. Or evening. I don't know. I think you're in Germany. AUD USD. Let's take a look. 1 second. Buy to the blue line. Buy to the blue line. Can we hit it? I don't know. Let me see the 5 second. Yes. Yeah, we're going to go up and hit that. All right. So let's put down a buy stop right there. All right. Now, touchdown. 1 second buy to the blue line. Called out touchdown. You got the touch. 5 second. Yep, it's going to touch the 5 second. 10 second. Yep, you can play any 1 second, 5 second to the 10-second blue line on AUD USD. 15 second. 1 minute, 1 hour. 3 minute, 5 minute, ricochet. Not enough. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. This is the up movement to the 15-minute blue line. To the 15-minute blue line. To 15-minute blue line. All right. Yeah, it's going to finish that. All right. Let me go over here to the daily, weekly. These are the important ones. Nope, not done. Weekly. Damn. It's a fucking weekly buy. Daily, weekly buy AUD USD, and then a 3-month. I'm going to pass on the higher time frames. I'll come back to this one later. USD CAD. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're doing some fast money, and I'm documenting it. All the haters are going to hate themselves for hating on it. 1 second, nothing to call. Already ricocheted down. 3-minute buy. Yep. Oh, love the trade. Boy, hold on. Can we get it to go up that high? Yeah. I would play any. It's going to come close to the 3-minute. This is USD CAD. This is play any buy stop. I don't know if it's going to touch the 3-minute, but it's going to come really, really close. And then but then you can look for, what was that, a 15-minute? 15:30. Where is it heading? 15-minute, 30-minute. Then a 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. 15-minute sell stop to 30-minute blue line. All right, and then let's see what we have for USD CAD. Oh, daily. Oh, weekly is almost there. Nope. 3 months. Nope. Nothing else to call. I don't like those kind of trades either. XRP, just fucking take a buy. Specifically, if you have to do it, any 30-minute buy you can find, which, by the way, you're in one and you're in the money, just so we're clear. XRP is just a buy. There's nothing else about it. We'll go into more detail how to take that, but that's what it is. Ethereum, I would take only the buys. Bitcoin, by the way, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high and is hitting it now. Does anyone remember if I called Bitcoin to go to 98,000? Does anybody remember for me to say the Bitcoin was going to go to 98,000 to 102? I said, fuck it, I'll just round it to 100. Does anyone remember me calling 98,000? And let's see, all time. Oh, it's an all time. I don't know. It's an all-time high. It's an all-time. I don't know. Well, there she blows. So Bitcoin, keep motherfucking buying those 30-minute buys. You can clearly see there's a 30-minute buy here. There's a fill in the gap here. Buy stop. It's about to do it again. Buy stop Bitcoin. I've been calling it out correctly. Let me be clear. Only thanks to God. We've been calling it out correctly. You guys hate when I repeat, but I can't help it. Called it out live on 3/8/23 when it was at 26,500. Said it would go over 70. On 9/8, I called it out at 56,000. Said it was going to go over 80, 90, probably 100. Then I've been refining my call out, and now it's definitely going to 100. So now we're at 98,000 and change, it looks like, or right at 98. Guess like somebody might have called that out. Larry's the only one that remembers that, evidently. Thank you, Larry. But yes, I've been calling out Bitcoin correctly for over a year and a half now, since 26,000. Buy Bitcoin. We'll get into more details later. That's all you need to know. Amazon. Amazonian. I only like calling the stocks higher time frames. Oh, this is a daily. Fuck yeah. Daily buy stop. Oh my goodness. Amazon, baby. Where's my Amazon at? Amazon. Daily. Fuck yeah. That is a fill in the gap, pink to the blue line daily. Hell yeah, baby. That's looking fantastic. Maybe I should put price in there. No, because if I have the date and the time, we can always go back to the price. Costco. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, peeps. Costco. Love the weekly. I love this trade. Weekly, Costco. Costco is a weekly. I really need to redo my form. Weekly buy stop. Love weekly buy stop Costco. Love, love, love it. Apple. It's still a good buy. I don't care. It is a weekly. I'm going to call it Apple weekly buy stop. Okay. Google. Gorgeous 3-week. Oh, yeah. Google 3-week buy stop. Gorgeous 3-week buy stop. Just love the fuck out of that trade. Hilton. Already too high. Already too high. Already too high. It's got to reset. And pink line has to come back down. These green histogram bars have to come back down. Once this touches the bottom like this, again, we'll call another buy. We need a reset on the daily. Okay. JP 2225. 225. Nope. Nope. Yep. 3-week buy stop. 3-week buy. Mickey D, baby. Here's another one. Oh, I hate Netflix and McDonald's. And yet, look, as I told you, motherfuckers, told you, you're in the money on that one. Now, let's see. Can we get anything else out of it? Nope. 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 Yes. Weekly buy stop. Mickey D. Love this McDonald buy. Don't give a shit what they're telling you, how horrible it is. As I started this broadcast out, they lied to you about Trump making gold go down. It's gone up $50 an ounce, and we've reaped and pillaged. There we go, by the way. We're pushing over that 10,000 again. Woohoo. Yes, these are live trades. These are all trade. These are all called out to you through the live yesterday and through the Discord yesterday. I just happened to take my own trades. Some of you people, well, why? Now I'm telling you what I'm doing. Microsoft. I think I really like this one. What was the time? Yep, 3 week. 3 week buy stop Microsoft. Love this trade. Love it. Netflix. Netflix is terrible. And Netflix is this and da. It's getting sued and blah, 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 blah. Blee, blah, blue, blah. And what does Netflix do? It's like Teflon Don. It ignores all your bullshit, although it's going to have to come down a little bit now. It has to reset on the daily. Netflix. I just love how just the 3 week was perfect. And it's a 3-month buy. This is insanity. Yes, Netflix has to come down, but not because of any lawsuit. Give me a break. Netflix has to come down and reset on its daily. Okay, NVIDIA. Really? This is for all you people out there who think news matters. Let's go down to the 5-minute NVIDIA. Let's go out to when the news was announced. Here's your announcement of your news. It dropped like a rock. Then it formed, because this is a 5-minute sell stop before it happened. Then it dropped like a rock, and then it dropped like a rock, and then it dropped. So give me a break that earnings matter. They're lies. It does not matter at all. So what is it going to do? After this drop, has nothing to do with their earnings. The earnings caused it to go down, actually. It's resetting on the daily. That's why it's coming down. Oh, love that 3 week. So we need to do a reset on the daily for NVIDIA, and then it's a 3 week buy, baby. Give me a break. Oh, it's earnings. La 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 la. People just whine. People just make up the weirdest excuses for why a stock does something. How about you find the truth? Schwab. Let's go to Schwab. Daily needs to reset. You're in the money on the weekly, like I told you. 3 week. Nope, too ugly. I like that 3 month. All right, we need a daily reset on Schwab. It means it needs to come down. Reset daily. And then we need a 3-month buy, baby. Silver. It's Christmas time. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. All right. Oh, we have a first buy-in. I wonder if I should buy some silver. Yeah, it's not done. We need a damn reset. Buy daily buy. Nope, we need to let this reset. Fuck. Silver will go back up, but I'm going to have to call it. We need a weekly reset, and then I'll look about getting into that. When I say reset, that means we need this pink line to come down here like this, and we need the blue line to come across. When it touches down here like it did here, that's when we'll call the buys in. That's what I mean by a reset, okay? Silver and bells. So nothing else for silver. UK 100. No. It needs to reset on the 3 week. Yeah, it needs to reset on the 3 week. It can be a weekly buy, but I need a 3 week reset. So 3 week reset. This is great. I got to redo my form. 1 week buy stop. Tesla, if you guys can't make money trading a stock that goes straight up, I don't know how to help you. Look at the 3 week. It's a buy. You're up. You could have got in down here when I called it at 205. I told you it was going over 361. I'm telling you it's going over 400. That's Tesla. You guys do with it what you want. This is huge. This is huge. This is a Elon Musk, give me a holler, bro. This is a 3-month buy stop on Tesla. He is this has got to go up to fill in this gap. This pink line has to go up to here, and it hasn't even started on a 3-month chart. Doesn't mean it's going to go straight up. There's going to be 4-hour sells, daily sells, weekly sells. I'm telling you, over $417. So whatever Elon makes from when I called it back here at 257 to over 420, he can give me one of those billions if he wants. Buy stop. Play any buy stop on Tesla until the 3-month buy stop fills. This is insanity. This is going to be a minute. You're going to be able to make some money on Tesla. Tesla buy, baby. And it has nothing to do with Trump being in office. It has everything to do with what this is. God, unless you think this is a time traveling thing, this is what it is. AMD, baby. Let's take a look. I don't like the monthly. Oh, I don't like the 3-month. I love the monthly. AMD, monthly buy stop. Play any buy stop you can on AMD. Love the trade. Let me see the weekly daily for you. Not quite done going down, but I just love this trade. Love the trade. Tesla. Love the trade. AMD. German. And I keep this on here for one person and one person only. Don't care. I think it needs to drop more on the 3-week before I'm comfortable. I'm not calling anything on that. GBP USD. Negative. Weekly buy. Weekly daily buy. I love this trade. So weekly daily buy. Weekly buy stop. German is an NA. I'm nothing to call on that one. All right. We are done with our buys and sells for the moment. We'll come back in detail. Obviously, we'll start trading some fast money in there. Terry. Terry. Let's go back to NVIDIA, by the way, for 1 second, because one of my family members is silly. Poor Uncle Terry. Anywho, all right. Good morning, Jackie James. Blessed morning, Orlando Waters. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Truth Seeker. I don't know. You want me to look at SMC, Truth Seeker? You can say good morning and be human and be nice. That'd be cool. SMC, what the? Summit Midstream Corporation. Let's take a look. Oh, their time, whatever this is useless. I can't even find anything. They don't even have enough data to tell me what to trade long term. This is useless. Buy nothing. I don't. Let me see down here if there's something. No, there's not even enough to run on that. I can't tell you any. Grand Rising, Miss Regina. Good morning, Jackie, James, Orlando Waters, and Jacob again. By the way, we're in a buy on gold. These are live trades. These are what I told you to get into through the Discord over here. We started at, was it 8,900 or 9,100 this morning? And then this is the Discord notice where I sent it out to you. There was a ricochet alert. That's what these trades are right here, these three. And then I traded this trade right here with you guys live. Yep. There you go. Okay. Now we've successfully, where's all my call outs at? We've successfully Poor Terry. Terry's like first thing in the morning. My brother Mike. All right, where we at? Oh yeah, we were calling out successfully US 30 and SPX. Let's see how they're looking. Let's go to the 1 minute. Oh, interesting. And I know exactly what I called out because I wrote it out. Ricochet 1 minute buy stop at 1254. Yeah, so let's put in our Ricochet right here. This is at 1254. I called out a buy stop on NAS live for you guys to take. It was a Ricochet back up to its blue line. It would have netted you, and going, it would have netted you 61 pips. I also called it at that exact same time for US 30 right here. That would have netted you, and this is called out live, so I don't want to hear it. This is 75 pips. SPX was called out live at the same time. Let me mark it so we're all clear. SPX at 1254. And I wrote it down exactly when this was done. Oh, the haters got to be killing themselves at this point. Or I hope that's not true, but I'm just saying they have to be really upset is all I meant. So there you go. 15 pips pre-market open, called out live on SPX. Let's be sure. So that's 15. Let's go over here to NAS and see how much you got right here. Plus, let's just say 60. We'll say 65. So that's 80. US 30. US 30. Maybe I can get it. So it's 80 plus. Oopsie, why won't it let me see it? 80 plus another 75. So 155. So 150 pips, which is insanity. I only take $1 on each one, which is ridiculously low, I might add. So the demo profit for here is, oops, we need to make that a little bigger. This is $150. 150 pips, which is insanity. I just called out 150 pips live before market open on a trade is insanity. Okay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're going to head back over to the 30-minute gold, which we're still in. And I told you I'm holding now for, it could be months actually at this point. All right. How fucking fantastic were those call outs? And now I have them all written down. Let me see the odds USD. Sorry, hold on 1 second. No more forgetting, no more wondering, no more. Okay, I called out a 1 second buy on odds USD back here at 1254. So even further back. So my buy stop on the 1 second at 1250. Yep, right here. This is my call out at look at this shit. On odds USD, that has netted you an additional 10 pips. So that's an additional 10 pips on a buy stop. Let me check out GBP, JPY. This is a higher time frame one. I don't know if it moved or not. We'll see. Oh, it did. The 10-second buy stop to the blue line on GBP, JPY was a correct call. And the ones I write down are the ones that I'm counting because I don't write down all of them. If I don't see something, I don't call it. So this is at 12:55. So somewhere right around there. So you made another correct call, an additional 36 pips. So it's 46. We're up to a base. I'm going to call 200 on this one. $200. That's retarded, but that's not. That's silly. That's silly. That's silly. That's silly. That's silly. That's silly. TikTok. That's $200 at a 0.01 or 200 pips, which is a crazy amount of pips. Fantastic trades. Fantastic trades. Let me go ahead and I guess we'll just see. All right, what else did I call? USD CAD, but that was a 3-minute. I doubt that had time to do it. Where is that down here? Where is USD CAD? Right there. Yeah, no, we don't have anything on that. So we'll have to wait on that one. All right, we'll come back to that later. All right. The rest are all long-term stuff. I have to redo my form, but they're like weeklies, monthlies. Those are definitely not going to change. So we were correct on the 1-minute ricochets, the 1-second buys on the indices. We were correct on the GBP, JPY 10-second buy. We were correct on the AUD 1-second buy. So we were correct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times this morning. 7-0, 0 losses, 7 correct calls. Oh, not including gold, which obviously we're up. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Yeah, we're doing okay on our gold calls. We're going to do gold deep dive right now. All right. So we just called out a whole bunch of fast money. We don't have a whole bunch of old money, but we got tons of new money. Does anyone know where that's from? All right. Look at this call. This is just you. This is one that we're going to go over, and you need to study this. As I told the people in our Discord, over like 700 members in there, I told them this is a trade that you guys need to learn that Keith is coding for us, but we need to learn this trade. Okay. Wow. Now, here we go. Now, we just did our demo fast money. Click through it all. Just made 200 pips for you all in the last whatever that was. Give me 1 second here. I knew it. I knew. Okay, that's fine. All right, next we have going on. What do we have going on? The next thing we're going to be looking at right now is we are going to do a this is a buy ricochet. I'm spelling it funny just to make you guys laugh. Deep dive. This is a really safe trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this. Oh, favorite 7-hour only sell stop was, was a 30-minute blue line. So all this came true. The gold 30-minute buy stop towards the 30-minute blue line happened. Planning 1-minute buy stops. We're going to go over the gold. US 30 SPX will play the 1-minute and under live. We did. The favorite is the buy. The only sell I called was the US 30-minute, which happened. So that's all correct. Let me see if I can bounce those off there by itself. Good morning, Henry Chassain. Good morning, Henry. Only sell stop was that. Can I take this one out? Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we didn't look at GBP JPY. Hold on. I mean, I did look at GBP JPY. Let me look at these though. I want to see if I can make a call for you guys on the GBP JPY. Oh yeah, definite buy. Definite buy. Am I not on GBP JPY? Let me just 30 minutes. Nope. 1 hour. Nope. 2 hour. Nope. 3 hour. Nope. 4 hour. 5 hour buy. 12 hour. 12 hour buy. 12 hour daily buy. 12 hour daily buy is the weekly reset. Yes. 3 weekly. Yes, absolutely. Okay, GBP JPY. Hold on 1 second. Good morning, Henry. Give me 1 second, peeps. Give me 1 second. There we go. I'm just going to tag this trade. So I'm going to throw in a small little buy right here on GBP JPY. Okay, we're done. All right. Now, let's go back to gold. All right, so here we go. I'm extremely happy about this gold because it played out on live TV with you. So you can go back to yesterday for 3.5 hours and watch this trade. This trade, you guys have, by the way, holy crap. Am I up to 12 now? Smoking, whatever it is. Anyway, so what we're looking at right now is we're going to look at, you know what I can do? I forgot. Let me do this. Oh, I forgot. They have a horrible way of setting up black. How can I do this easily? Not going to be easy, is it? It's ricochet. Fire away, fire away. It's bulletproof. It's ricochet. Fire away, fire away. It's bulletproof. Fire away. And it's not Rihanna, even though I think it is. It's actually Sia. I know that. I get made fun of by all of you all the time for not knowing my songs. But the good news is my wife can sing any song ever. She heard one song on a movie we were watching. I think I told you this yesterday. And she damn well sang the song back later perfectly. I'm like, how the hell? I go, is that real? And she's, yep. I was like, wow, that is impressive. She's a fucking genius. It's ricochet. Fire away, fire away. So what we're going to do now, it's bulletproof. This is a super easy and safe trade. That didn't cut it, did it? Bada ba bing, bada boo. It's Ricochet teaching you a super easy and safe trade. Okay? Fire away, fire away. It is a buy stop to the price action blue line. Then the Rick O'Shea. And really, this is really the only trade beginners should be using, Rick O'Shea. Because to be honest with you, you get that Rick O'Shea, like ricochet, Riichet, whatever the hell you spell it. Best trade for newbies, beginners. I guess people don't call people newbies anymore, but newbies for beginner. Okay. So this is what we're going to go over. This is going to be your, hopefully a nice, simple, easy trade. I'm going to go over it like I was teaching somebody. Good morning, Maria Toller. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Good morning, Jackie. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Maria Toller. Good morning, Henry Trastain. Good morning, Subu. Good morning, Subu. On both TikTok and YouTube. Thank you for being on both. All right, here we go. This is going to be fun because this trade played out live yesterday during the day for 3.5 hours I was on. And now you guys get to see it. Thank you, Leon, for being on both TikTok and YouTube. Thank you for all. And to put it in perspective for you, when I called out the trade yesterday live, right? Okay, fine. Let me take this off. When I called out the trade yesterday live, that was this trade at 1338, right? Then I called it through the Discord. I don't know how many of you saw it, but the Discord went out. And these are my Discord trades. This GBB JPY, I just threw that in there because I don't care. I'm just tagging something on GBB JPY. I can care less if I lose $200. It doesn't matter. This is something more for, I'm not worried about the entry on GBB JPY. I'm just tagging it. So anyhow, but these trades, I would normally close off definitely by this time. A couple of these, I have locked in profit. I'm just going to let these run and we'll see how this does. So I have good profit. I'll make like 2,500 on this trade no matter what, and probably like 500 of these. But needless to say, this is what we're going to go over is why I took those trades, how I called those trades. We've already made over 200 pips this morning on demo profit only on the Ricochet. So I'm about to teach you a super easy and safe trade. Buy stop to the price action blue line, then the Ricochet. Best trade for beginners. It's so easy to do. Matter of fact, Keith is working hard on coding this. Matter of factly. Let me take a picture right here. For Keith to code. It's a Ricochet. No. Payment to Hulu. It's a Ricochet. Titanium. All right. So here we go. 40 and 17. Good enough for me. All right. Let's take a look. We are the only trading system in the world that has the trademark from the United States government for coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading and through the Forex market and also the educational things. This isn't applied for. This is real. We have patent pendings. They mean they're applied for, but also gives legal protection on about a dozen of my indicators. Also, we have an NDA, and also I have the financial means to sue the living fuck out of any one of you. So trust me, don't fuck around and find out. Just leave things alone. Be grateful that I shared the system with you and how accurate it is and what we're doing with it. Larry's already typing yes. You go, Larry. Please type yes if you understand that. Also, please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor, that you guys are adults, that we're only trading demo money. You trade demo money. We have a cool ass store. Buy some merchandise. Please type yes if you understand we only trade the green and up arrow and the red down arrow. Also, and this is we've added things. The old ways of trading, including in trading good earnings on stock. NVIDIA today, well, yesterday, the stock, let me mark that down too. It came out with its earnings. They were fantastic earnings, and it still tanked. Total BS. You can't trade news. You can't trade earnings. You can't trade Bollinger Bands. You can't trade VWAP 99% of the time, including Head and Shoulders. 99% of the time, it fails. Good morning, the gaming milkman. Hold on. Caught you. See, they're trying to make me do this thing on TikTok. Gotcha. Aha. Now we're good for at least another hour. All right. So type out yes if you know for a fact the old ways of trading lose 99% of the time or more. That's per Dave Ramsey. I say it's 99.9% of the time. Day traders quit after 3 years. That's not me, because of all the ways we were taught doesn't work. So 85% of us quit in 3 years. Type yes if you understand that. My only goal is to get you retired if you want to be. To get retired if you want to. That is my sole goal of everything I'm doing here. I'm trying to help you get to that point. So for a fact, Kimberly Harrington can be and was and will be again retired. Mr. Gold, Gary, is retired. Big D is retired. Peter P. retired. Josh retired. Tommy retired, can retire if he wants to. Jay can retire if he wants to. 2 members were homeless. They are not any longer. Billy, you should really do it. It's a very good YouTube search. The Billy story, the safety trade, it's very uplifting. Thera Kevin was homeless. He is no longer homeless. 1 member was an atheist. He is no longer an atheist. Those are facts. Please type out a fact if you understand people have retired using the system. Please type out a fact. Please type out, well, actually, you can write the word fact out or yes. We have so far 100% win rate. I realize that won't hold, but for now we have 18 wins. If you want to know what the wins are, here they are. And then I'm going to get this typed up into an official form, but this is just off the video. Google on the July 16th, all these are correct. Everything you see here is correct. You can't see them. You want me to zoom in? There's our Bitcoin call up over. We're well over. We probably doubled the money at this point. We're probably $45,000, $50,000 up on this call. NAS, USK. If you would have just taken a 0.01 trade on just the indice calls, the SPX, the NAS is in the US 30, you would be up over $13,500 on 0.01 trades just from July. So in a few short months on 0.01, meaning, oh, what's my risk? What's my tolerance? What's my, it doesn't matter. Trade a 0.0 fucking 1, do what the fucking it is, and you'll be up $13,500. That's a fact. Also, to be clear, fact, the almost holy grail trade, which goes out into our trading Discord over here, just so we're clear, we have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 signals. If you go in and you would take the almost holy grail trades, right? They are 4-0, and those are market order entries, meaning you can take the trade when the signal is called. You'd have $4,600 in profits if you did a 0.01. You'd have 21,000 plus. I mean, my goodness, Bitcoin just keeps going up like I called. Gold keeps going up like I called. You would have whatever, lots and lots of money on that. And again, these are the actual call outs. This isn't a maybe or could be. These are facts. Anyone that doesn't like this and says this isn't real, I did an entire video documenting these calls and when it went out. This isn't optional. This isn't maybe. This isn't could be. For a fucking fact, gold has gone up way more than that. US 30 gone up way more than that now. But at the time, Bitcoin gone up way, way more than this. GBP, JPY, you still have time. This is a free one from me to you guys. Take any 30-minute buy stop. I spelled it wrong. Total so far, if you took a 0.01 on US 30, you'd be up 4,600 pips plus. Those are facts. Please type out yes. Okay. And then the rest we'll get to later. And that's that. Now, fact by the system. Thank you. I agree with Dennis there. All right. We see some facts. I see some yeses. Good. Truth seeker. Leon, thank you guys for responding. Now, what are we doing? Again, this is what we're doing right now. We're teaching you a super easy and safe trade. Buy, stop to the price action line, blue line, then the ricochet, best trade for beginners. It's so freaking easy. Okay. So we're going to take our time. We're going to whip through this. Now, this is what it looks like on my chart, right? So we can see all this great stuff, but the reality is a lot of you don't understand that we are taught to trade like this. It's as simple as that. This is your raw chart right here. This is what, so we called a buy here. Highly unlikely that would have been called a buy. And here, you may have caught this ascending wedge at that point. There is no Fibonacci retracement. Well, any rate, we were all charting it. The raw chart is virtually it's tradable when you see, like I can look at this chart, see we would have broke here, would have went down. We could have looked at this as our upward sloping W to broke here. Yeah, I would have played it right off of here. Yes, you could play it, but it's not easy. And trust me, you don't want to do it. Or you can go under what they call wrongly technicals, start throwing this stuff up on here, your Fibonacci retracements and all this. But we know for a fact that that fails over 99% of the time. All of this fails over 99% of the time. Again, haters, just talk to Dave Ramsey, leave me out of the subject, okay? So if we can't use the indicators that they have and we can't use a raw chart, then the system that I have created right here is so easy. It's color coded. Let's zoom out just a little bit there, okay? Now, this is what we're looking at. And I'm going to take away everything else. So we're going to take away everything. So you can't get confused. We're going to take away all of this. We're going to take away all this. So what we're left with is right here. And I'm going to take away the future too, but I'm going to do that properly this time. We're going to go right to here. It's bulletproof. Okay, so this is what the chart looked like yesterday, about 24 hours ago, actually. This is what gold looked like. Okay. So again, we're going to be, let me see if I can grab this up just a little bit. I do want to see our times. Right there. Okay. So we're looking at gold 30-minute, and I made a gold 30-minute call out. Okay. So this is what the chart literally looked like right here. It was green, 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 red. Let me pull this up a little so you can see it. Green, green. Our candles were green. Everything was green, and we're going up to the blue line. You can go back and watch the video yesterday, but this is exactly what you saw. Okay. So this is what it was looking like. Our example that we always use is someone swimming, trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool. That's what the red means. It means down. And then we have all these green things in our business. Green means up. Underneath this, whoopsie, hold on. We have to change that back. In our business, green means up. So we have a directly below this red, we have a real direction bar 1 that's saying real direction bar green is up. Real direction bar 2 is up. And real direction bar 3 is up. So again, we're going to use an analogy here. This red is someone swimming to the bottom of the pool. Maria Tolder is swimming to the bottom of the pool. Below Maria Tolder is Truth Seeker is pushing up. Leon is pushing up. Larry is pushing up. Poor Miss Maria, all she's trying to do is dive down and get a little quarter, but she can't go down because there's 3 grown people pushing up against her. Well, it gets worse for Miss Maria. You have Dennis above you, Miss Maria, pulling up. Then who do you have? Then you have Michael 808 pulling you up. You have Mr. C, the green candles, pulling you up. Okay. Then we have our logo. And then we have the magic magnetic blue line. This is where it's going to. People ask me all the time, what is it? How did you figure it out? Well, I don't know. Missing thousands of trades for 2 to 3 years has a tendency of helping you learn how to trade. It says, okay, well, what do I do? What do I do? I'm not going to tell you the exact number of the thing, but it was fantastic. It came out, um, came out, and I just started using it. I figured out one, another, and this is where our goals are. So this is where the price action is going to. So we have green, 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 red, which is the bullshit detector saying it's not really going to go down. Miss Maria really can't swim to the bottom of the pool. She's being pushed up and pulled up to the blue line. Okay. Does everyone get the analogy? Sevens for yeses, nines for nos. What's up, Iron Lion 12? Thank you, Subu. Thank you, Rhinus. Thank you, Truth Seeker. Thank you, Henry. Okay. So this is your analogy. I use it all the time. We're using the analogy to the blue line. So everyone here that's having troubles, everyone that's here that's new, everyone here that doesn't really understand, only take a buy stop when you see it going to its blue line. Okay. So only take a buy stop when you see it going to its blue line. That'll help your odds of winning go up to 99%. So let's go here, right? Let's go back to here and redo this again. Only take a buy stop. Only take a buy stop. Only take a buy stop if it's going to its price action blue line. Only take a buy stop. I wish I could have multiple drawing tools on this at once, but it won't let me do it. Only take a buy stop if it's going to its here we go. Only take a buy stop if it's going to its blue line. Only take, if I'm writing something down, you guys need to write it down. If it's going to its blue line, okay? So only take a buy stop if it's going to its blue line. A buy stop is green, 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 red, and in this case, green, green. So that's all it is. So we're going to go over what exactly that means right now, but that's all it is. We're teaching you a super easy and safe trade. Buy stop to the price action blue line, then the ricochet, best trade for beginners. Super easy for beginners. So we went back in time. This is what it looked like this time yesterday on gold. Okay. Good morning, Iron Lion. So now we have our setup, and now we're going to go ahead and go match this 30-minute up with a gold. Well, technically it's a 3-month, but we'll go back to here. Give me 1 second. Yep, that's crossing up. We can do that. That's a buy. Let me see the weekly. Not quite low enough. That's why I'm going to avoid. I'm going to do my daily on this. Well, we're going to need to do the weekly, aren't we? Yep. All right, fine. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to pair the 30-minute up with the weekly. We'll come to the weekly in a minute. Where we're at with everything, though, right here is we have Miss Maria Toller, trying to swim down to the bottom of a pool. That's the red. Red means down. Green means up. This is made for beginners. So any of you beginners out there watching this, it may seem complicated, but it is super, super easy and way more accurate than trying to learn any silly old ways like Fibonacci retracements. Okay. So right now we have our setup. Our setup is a buy stop to the blue line, 30-minute gold. So we're on a 30-minute gold chart here. You can see gold is highlighted here and the 30-minute is right there. We're on 30-minute gold. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? Again, we'll back up just for a split second for her. Michelle, we already made 200 pips profit this morning doing live trades. I'm teaching you how to do a super safe and easy trade. It's a buy stop to the price action blue line, then the ricochet, best trade for beginners. Only take a buy stop if it's going to a blue line. A buy stop is green, 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 red, green, green. And we're using the example of poor Miss Maria Toller on where she's at. Okay. Morning, Travis. Good. I just a review for Travis too. Good morning, Travis. Morning, Michelle. Morning, Iron Lion. Morning, Maria Toller. All right. So this is a buy stop setup to the blue line. We have a sea of green before us, and it's going up to the blue line with green, 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 red. We know this is a fake call. This isn't really going down. This is going to go up because the real direction bars say it. Plus, we have several other reasons, not the least of which is our candles change color. We have our hook down on our logo right here. Matter of fact, on our higher time frame, now that we can look at this if you like, we have all the same things. Plus, over here, this is our, there we go. Over here, we have our logo. We have our orange line high above. This is the orange line dip. We have our green colored EMA change. We have our Bach green, green. We have the pink line, not close, low enough to me. I'm not really thrilled with that, but it's close enough for this trade. Blue line high. There isn't a fill in the gap here. I fully suspect gold to dip a little bit more, but not right now. This is the playback, so you'll see what happens. So this is all I'm looking at. So you can go with all these reasons, right? So let's go over them all again. Number one, blue line high, pink line semi-low, buy stop, right? Oh, hold on. We have to pull in our sniper. Let's grab these over here and come down. Let me see. We're going to do this. I'm going to move this one up here. Okay. So now we have all this. Well, right here, we have the sniper. The sniper just helps you with your entries. It's a totally optional add-on. You don't need it. The green, 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 red, green, green is more than good enough. But I'm going to go ahead and teach it to you because it's very handy. We're going to see this pink cross this blue, and then we're going to see the buy stop itself right here. Then we have our Bach unbroken at the time. So this is green, green, which means green means up. So we're going to have another couple reasons right here to take the trade. We're going to have our green candles. We're going to have our green logo. We're going to have the orange dip, and then we're going to have to this blue line. This is fucking huge for beginners out there. That's where it's heading to. Then we come back over here. We have our green histogram bars. We have our green 1, 2, 3 real direction bars. We have our Bach over here green. We have our green EMA. We have our orange high. It only can be a buy. We have our candles green. We have our logo. So we're up to 20 reasons off the top of our heads. Again, this looks crazy. This looks hard. This looks complicated. This looks, how the fuck can anyone trade this system? And nothing can be further from the truth. Why do I say that? Because if you take away all this, you can literally, give me 1 second to grab the right indicator here. There should be this one. Yeah, this one would work. All of everything you're being shown, right, is coded into these lines. So watch what happens when we go forward in time. See, look, now here is where some entrances are. Everything, all those 20 reasons I coded you are in these lines, and I'm going to teach you your entrances. So this is where you can enter. When you see the pink cross the blue, you would do a entry. So I'm going to do an entry when the pink crosses the blue. This is gold, so I'm just going to boop. I'm going to take my, hold on a second. Let me see if I can move this way over here and do my entry way over here. Can it do it way over here? Will it do it way over there? No, it will not do that. Mother freaking. All right. Why does it put it right in the center? Nope, can't do anything with that. Okay, fine. All right, get off of there, get off of there, get off of there. All right, there we go. Now, I'm going to move it way over here. Now, we went into our entry because the pink crossed the blue. We have green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. So is everyone following the setup? Yes or no? Good morning, Cajun boy. We're literally going over how we took the buy stop yesterday live on gold. We're teaching a super safe and easy safe trade. It's going to be the price action buy stop to the price action blue line, ricochet afterwards. Only take the trade if it's going to the blue line. If you're having trouble with the system, this is a way to help you not have trouble with the system. Good. Thank you, Henry, Subu, and Jackie. And yeah, Leon, thank you, D-Man. All right. So we're set up. Pink crosses the blue, you can enter, or you can put your buy stop line. You can put your buy stops. I always do this. Let me zoom. I'm going to have to zoom this in a little. Sorry. Watch. Okay. I always put my buy stop on the very, very, very bottom, which is it's 99% of a correct trade. The orange will be below the red or the yellow, but you can put it on the red and the yellow. And these are called your buy stops. So you can enter into your buy stop when it crossed down here, or you can put a future pending order up here. Either way. Okay. So when price action goes above this, I'm going to put another buy in. All right. So again, we're setting up an easy buy. We're looking only in this area right in here. Right there is all we're looking in, this area. Matter of factly, we can cut all this off again so none of you have to get confused with anything. We're only looking in that rectangle area. Teaching you a very easy, safe trade to do. Okay, so now we have our one entry. We're going to go forward. We're doing the playback feature of TradingView. It's fucking fantastic. I love this thing. All right, price action, as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit more, has crossed our lines. The orange line, which we should have been in and already been in the trade. That's why I hate doing this on this particular way. And also the red. So I'm going to go ahead and do another buy. Okay, and that's our entry points. And now that we're entered into the trade, I'm going to show you where to put your stop loss. It started up here. It came down to here. It pivoted and went over our stuff, where our lines right here, our buy stop lines right here. So our pivot point is a pivot point stop loss. It would go somewhere like this. So you put your stop loss down here at the pivot point. Is everyone clear where to enter your trades at and where to put your pivot point? Yes or no? Are you comfortable enough to know where to put your buy stops in to enter the trade and why to enter the trade? The system is made for beginners. It's super easy. It's pretty much a joke. Oh, wow. Wow. I'll have to show Bree. They have snow in Ohio. Dennis says yes. Leon says yes. So these are your buy stops, your stop loss, your entrances, and we're in the trade. Okay, so now we're in the trade. No need to look anywhere but right as it's developing live in front of here. So don't look anywhere else on your screen. Just look right there. And now what's going to happen? This is gold 30-minute. I traded this live with you yesterday. I'm in the trade with you, by the way. Lots of trades. These are all gold except for the bottom one. That's GBP, JPY. We're up 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 from the ricochet. We're up 4,700, almost $4,800 from the this trade I'm teaching you right now. The trade, and I already made 1,200 on it live. All right, so this is the trade that I'm currently in that I told you guys to take on demo only, and this is what we're looking at. Good morning, Linda Brown. Good morning, Linda. Okay, so we're looking at a trade on 30-minute gold. It's called a buy stop to the blue line trade. We're just taking step by step. We just went over to put your take profits and your stop losses in, Linda. That's where we're at. We're going candle by candle. Okay. Now, we happen to be in some profit immediately. Okay. We have two open trades. We took the pink crossing the blue, and I took the orange. Well, actually, it was the red being crossed, but you should enter on the orange right there. So we're going to go another candle. Nope, we're up even more. I'm trying to look for any other entrances we can enter. Okay. Now, what you're going to see eventually right here is you're going to see this red turn to green. You're going to see this blue come up, and you're going to see price action go up towards this. And you're going to see that's about the extent of it. You'll see all that move up. So you're going to see this blue line come up. You're going to see this turn to green. As a matter of fact, you're going to see another call out when that happens. Okay, we're just going 30-minute. There you go. So now I told you guys all the reasons why. See this turn to green? This is called a closed safety trade. See the blue turn up now. See price action up. You can enter in again with another order. This is coming for a free upgrade to you guys. This is a free upgrade from Bree and I to be put on your charts in tier 3, tier 1, and 2. They'll have it added into the signal service for you. These are market order entries. You notice when the signal popped up, I took the order. Okay. You're welcome, Linda. So now we're completely in. We're we're a lot of trades deep in right now. Okay. Green is now solid. Pink crossed, blue's coming up. It's going up to this line. You can go back and try to play any 1 second. We're just doing 30-minute buy stop. So we're just going to stay right here. See this green closed. We're going to go forward again. We're immediately in more money. And more money. Look at it going up towards the blue line like I told you it would. Yesterday during the live, I told you it would. See price action coming up towards this blue line right here. There it is. There's the touchdown. It touched it once. That's called TP1, take profit 1. So again, came down, pivoted, came up. This is our entry for our buy stop right here. This is our stop loss down here. This is our TP1 right here. Take profit 1. What does that mean? Normally, like I did yesterday, it goes up and touches that. I had, now it's 15-minute blue line touch. Thank you, Leon. I had two of these trades open right here. I had two of these 4,400. I closed one down at 1,200. You close one down and let one run. When you move it to break even, does everybody understand that process? 7s if you understand it, or yeses. That you close one trade down at take profit, then you let one run. That's the runner right here. Okay. 7s, yeses. I'll wait for YouTube. So your TP1 is right there when it touches that blue line. Simple as that. 7s, got it. Okay. Next, we're now going to wait. And what I would want to see, and this is immediately in my mind, as soon as it touched right here, I'm thinking, okay, let it go up a little bit more. Then I want it to hook down, come back, and give me my Rick O'Shea trade. And that's even safer than this trade. And this is what's going to happen. If this occurs properly, you're going to see this pink line come down like this. you're going to see this blue line come across like this. You're going to see price action come down like this. Learn this. Understand what I'm teaching you and learn this. You too can draw out these trades. You should be drawing out these trades. You should be expecting exactly what I'm telling you. As soon as you see it hit the line, you say, hey, I hope it forms this gap right here, right? And I hope price action comes down like this because now it touched it, but now I want it to do its ricochet. So this is what you're looking for. To see the ricochet, you need the clear space between the green and the yellow. You need your pink to come down while the blue stays high. And this is our logo trade I've been trying to teach you for the last month. And it's to the blue line. So this will be a ricochet to the blue line, even safer than the safety trade to the blue line. Everybody capiche? Is it yes, if you guys understand what I'm saying? As soon as you saw this hit the blue line of the 30-minute, you should be thinking, hey, I want this thing to go up a little more maybe, and I want it to hook back down and give me the ricochet, whether it's on the 30-minute gold, which you're following along with, whether it's on a weekly, whether it's on a daily, whether it's on a 5-second. You want to see this ricochet. When you see the ricochet set up like this, you can make a call out. Leon says, nice. Yeah, I want somebody to have aha moments, and I want 10 of you to be buying the system by the time I'm done this so I can help you guys retire. So look, this is what it is. We're on a 30-minute. I made the call out in the Discord, in your signal room in the Discord, where I said, ricochet alert. 30-minute buy stop on gold has turned into a ricochet trade back to its 30-minute blue line. Please take any demo trade from 5-second buy stops on up. So I called it out to you guys. I sent it out to you all. Okay? And I said, hey, let's see if this thing comes back down again. Let me hook this back up. Sorry. All right. So this is what we're waiting for. All this drawing on here is what we're waiting for. Let's move it over. Well, I'll leave it there. That's fine. Okay, so let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. I notice, this is my blue line when I sent out the notice. Hey, this is the ricochet. This is everything. You can see, look, the pink line came to the bottom. Look, look, look. Everything I just drew out. Look what I drew. Pink line came down. See it? I drew that. Blue line came across. Look, we don't quite have our is the histogram bars underneath? Hold on. Yes, histogram bar is slightly underneath. We have it running against our orange. Here it is to the blue line. This blue, my blue line, the darker blue line is saying, hey, I'm calling this ricochet buy stop to the blue line. Now you're going to see this pink come up, and you're going to see price finish out eventually. So what's going to happen is this. You're going to see this now hook and come up. Okay. As a matter of fact, we can get rid of all these little things. Matter of fact, we can get rid of all this. Now what you're going to see, just stay focused. Don't be looking over here. Just stay right here. Okay. All you're going to see now is this thing's going to come up like this. This blue's going to stay solid. I hope this dips just a little bit more. Then you're going to see these come up like that. You're going to see that little gap. You're going to see price action do this right here. It's going to go right back up, ricocheting off the orange line back to the blue line. Let's see if that's what happens. And there you go. There's your ricochet. So now again, we're completely up to the blue line. It ricocheted. It came up, touched it, ricocheted back down, got pushed back down, came back up and passed it. And watch, we still have all this room. Play any buy stops until this 30-minute pink line goes up to the blue line. And we'll look for those at a different time, not right now. There's a gap buy. You can take another order, by the way. Oh, by the way, we're in some good money, I'm sure. Yep, we're up with 100% win rate. So let's go ahead and look. Again, it's just bouncing off the blue line. It's soon to shoot upward. See, look, watch. See this pink? This pink line's going to come down. The purple's going to come down. It's going to cross. They're going to come up and hook. You're going to see a space. There probably already is a space. We're just too close. Yeah, there is a space right here. You're going to see that fill in the gap happen. And there you go. So let's try this again. We're going to keep going forward. Watch, see your pink line rise. Watch the gap fill right here. See it going up. There's another buy, by the way, if you want to take another one. There's another buy. It's always reading. The signal service never stops looking at all these charts at once. Here it is again. And there you go. And that's it. Fucking, now I don't know why we didn't get all our little buy things, but fucking awesome. Unbelievably awesome. And that's how you trade let me get rid of all these things for you. And this is how you trade, teaching you a super safe and easy trade, the buy stop to the price action blue line, then the ricochet, the best trade for beginners. Only take a trade if it's going to its blue line. A buy stop is green, 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 red, green, green. Okay. So do you all understand that? BJP buy is in the money. Sweet. Congratulations, Don. Good morning, George Hyde. So I'm teaching you exactly step by step how to take that trade. All right. This is the gold call out. And there it is going to the blue line. That was the little ricochet right here, back to it and back up again. We were up 200 pips so far, but I'm sure we're way past that. And I just taught you how to do the ricochet. And that's what we just went over. Again, I heard this 100 times. Okay. Well, then tell me you're retired and then you can quit listening to this. Until you're retired, listen to this over and fucking over again. Okay. Now, I think GBBJPY was the last message I got. Thank you, Dennis. 77 NAS buys in the money. Everybody loves this going back to the money. Oh, really? Let's see. I'm going to pull out my little sheet here. Someone called out a US 30 NAS SPX 1 second buy stop at 1254. So let's go over to like a 5. Let's go over to the 3 minute. Yep. This is when this was called in. And I called this and a 1 minute buy stop. Okay. So here's your 1 minute buy stop where I called it as the blue line this morning earlier. That's why you guys should really join me on my lives when I first get here. It went from here up to here, over 132 pips. That's life-changing. Most of you should be retired. If Tommy was trading that, he'd be retired. That's 132 pips on NAS. Let's go to SPX. And I made the same call at the same time. So 130 pips on NAS. And legendary, about 30 pips on SPX. So it's 30. Let's go back to NAS again because I do want to brag. 30 plus maybe. 30 plus maybe. There we go. Come on. Come to Papa. There we go. 30 plus 130. That's 160 pips. If we go to US 30, which was called out also, I wrote it down. Can't say I didn't. 160 plus 200 pips. We're up over 350 pips before market open. 350 pips. It's not $3. Let me give you a hint. 350 pips isn't $350. 350 pips means you can retire for a year off those trades. That's what the fuck that means. Damn, 300. pips. Whatever. $350. Oh my, I can't even believe I write that. 350 pips. Percentage in points. Wow. Does anyone else want to say wow? Good morning, Filio. Just holy, thank God. Holy wow. Holy wow. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Dad Bod. We just went over the trades that we called out live. We did a 1 second buy stop on US 30 NAS and SPX. We did 1 minute buy stops on US 30 NAS and SPX. Oh, GBP, JPY, I got to go look at that. And then odd USD, we did a 1 second buy stop we're in the money on. And then there's a whole bunch of longer term trades. Let me look at GBP, JPY. Yeah, and this is all pre-market open orders. Just saying for you guys. GBP, JPY. No risk. It's very low risk. GBP, JPY. Oops, I see some more. I got to erase right here. All right, let's look at GBP, JPY. I called it on the 10 second. See, someone is keeping track of his own trades now. Oh, I probably can't see it there. There we go. Yeah, look at this fucking trade I called. And it's still a buy. Play any buy stop till the 1 minute blue line is hit on GBP, JPY. Play any buy stop you can find. This is a very good time. This is about to burst upwards, by the way. 1 minute buy stop. Look at this. GBP, JPY. So I correctly called out using the greatest system in the world from here to here. Another 60 pips. So now we're over 400 pips. $400. That is embarrassing. It should be $4,000. I'm only going to count it though. Fuck. So now we're up $400 or 400 pips, which is ridiculous. 400 pips should better, you should be able to come up with $4,000, $40,000 off of 400 pips, but whatever. We'll only count $400. Is that good enough for you guys to make in a day? Hello? Now I'm counting every trade and tracking every trade I call. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades correct. Holy cow, says Brian Claus. Yeah. Effing wow, says Super Cyclist. Dabod. Good morning, Dabod again. All right, so there you go. So these are the trades that were called out live earlier in the show. This is your fast money demo. I always do that leading now really fast. I come in. The profits are this. The buy, ricochet, deep dive we just finished. You should go back. It's actually really literally a training video. I had a one-on-one training video with somebody yesterday. He did very good. Yeah, these are all longer term on those. This is fantastic. I can't wait to redo my sheet. Now I'll have a fucking golden sheet going forward, a book of trades I called, and then we'll see exactly how many were right and how many engaged and how many didn't engage and how many were wrong, I guess, which I doubt we're going to have many of those. This is a fantastic buy stop. GBP, JPY, fantastic. Not just good, fantastically good. Good morning, Annie Leland. Oh, give me my money, says Jacob. There you go. Gimme. Just do 0.01 demo trades when I call out something, well, like I'm calling out right now, and then take the demo money and open up 2, let 1 ride, close 1 down as your first take profit as soon as you have a little bit of money you like, and then let the riders ride. Rick O'Shea, baby. Rick O'Shea. I laughed because one of our members spelled it out that way, and it was so cool. All right. Does anybody have any questions? comments or concerns? Anyone did a trade that they're 100% not happy with? Anybody have any positive things say about the system? Anybody have any negative things to say about the system? We had our little spammers yesterday. I wonder what happened to all of them. It's a clown world. It's a clown world after all. It's a clown world after all. It's a clown world after all. I love this system too. There. It's a clown world. Awesome system. Thank you, Leon. I blocked one this one. You did, Larry. Nice, Larry. Congratulations. Amazing system. Okay, well, I guess it's all positive things. Anybody new out there? Please listen to what they're saying. Thank you, Kevin. Amazing system. Yeah, I agree with all those statements. And you're about to see this 1 minute do its thing. Let's go down to the 1 second and see. Oh, no, we're not. Sell stop 1 second. Sell stop 1 second, 5 seconds to the 5 second blue line, GBB, JPY, I believe. Yeah. Nice. Let's see if we're actually going to see that. It's going to hook up a little bit more. 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 30 second, 1 minute buy stop. Yeah. Let it dip down. See what it's doing is all this shit over here. What you're seeing is all this forming is this, which is this, which is that. So you can play these 1 second, 5 seconds if you'd like. They're going to go up, come back down, blah, 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 blah. Let me see something when it changed here. Hold on. Yeah, it won't be much longer. I'm tired as fuck. I got no sleep last night. Jeez, oh, pizza. So these 1 second, 5 seconds are creating our 30 second, 1 minute buys. Isn't that cool? 30 second buy stop back to the blue line, ricochet. 30 second, 1 minute buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. It's ricochet. It's dynamite. It's titanium. 5 minute, 10 minute sell stop. Yeah, I think we'll hit it again. Just give it time. Oh boy. About 5 months, I believe, and I am beginning to understand. It's amazing. Can't wait for my financial freedom. Yay! Grilliano, you're welcome, and I'm so glad to hear that. Praying to God it happens for you. I want to keep making my retired list, and we're missing. I told Bree we got to go back over. We're missing at least a dozen other people that are retired, maybe 20, 30. Amazing. Buy the system. If you're new here, absolutely. Thank you for speaking up, Larry. Yeah. It is amazing. Jobless claims at Jobless claims at 8:30. Otherwise, nothing. What do we got? About an hour. I don't know if I'm going to. I think I'm going to stay on. Do you want me to stay on? You probably want me to stay on. It's titanium. As long as I don't have to shovel any of the snow. That's funny as fuck. Oh boy, poor my family in Ohio. It's already snowing. Where's John Parker and the Parker boys at? It's titanium. Damn. Not there yet, but I'm working on it, Brian says. Thank you, Leon, for the news, by the way. Well, Brian, working on it. We're going to get you there. Oh, all right. Where are we at? 66 to 22. Few on thing. Twitter's 1. Oh, man. Only weekly. That's not true. All right. Next up, we're going to do. But first, please remember, Always say your prayers and thank God for everything. Understand that I am 100% authentically, lovingly trying to get you all to retire if you want to. That's my little saying. Show the facts. We already did that. Show the Discord. Already did that. The optional add-ons we have is a sniper for $250 a month. Strongly recommend it. The signals anywhere from 150 to 250 on top of the sniper. Did we have our little 5-second sell to the blue line? Oh, there it is. 1 second, 5-second sell stop to the GBP JPY blue line is hit. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. There you go. All right. Where were we at? The raw system, by the way, for those of you who are beginners, the raw system will look just like this on your charts. That's all you need. By the way, this is called the sell stop. On the raw system, so everyone's clear on what you get. If you buy the system today, you can get training this coming Monday, actually. We have color coded. This is the bullshit detector. This is green. You get the real directions bars 1, 2, and 3. You get the BOK, the BOK indicator, red and red. You get the blue line. You get the color change indicator up here. The green turns to red when it's coming down. It'll turn to red eventually if it does. You get our candle color change. This is all included for $575 for the year. Again, buy the system or don't. I don't give two rat's asses. Everyone's, I don't, and half the time I forget to fucking put this up. Matter of fact, I think I went like 2 weeks without doing this. So I got to do this more often. You guys got to help me remember this shit. You go to safetytrade.com, you buy the system. You can do the one-on-one, and I know the one Gabe did the one-on-one yesterday, and he loved it. And the one-on-one is fine. That's perfect. It is. It's okay. I would just get the $575, or you can sign up for the email alerts there too. That's all you can do at this store. So $575 for the year. Oh, and you get this color code. It's the easiest thing on earth. Now, what you do not get is the sniper. That's $250 a month. You don't have to get it. It's an optional system. Works red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blind, and went straight down to it. This is a 5-second chart. So if you want to do fast movements with it, scalping, this is a scalper's best dream he's ever had. Ricochet, it's going to arch up, come back up, hook back down, and come back down to that blue line. Anyway, you're going to see the pink cross the purple, and then you'll see that hook come back down. Anywho, the sniper gives you better entrances, but it still works without it. This is the perfect trade when the blue was up here like that. See, look at that. Came back down. There you go. I just told you what was going to happen, and it just did it before your very eyes. We have people, it's not just me that see it touch the blue line. Touchdown, blue line, 5 seconds, GBP, JPY. I could play at these 5-second charts, 1 second and 5-second charts all day long and just make money for you guys over and over and over again. If you know of another trader that can do that, invite them on my show, and then we'll play 5-second charts with each other. And let's see who's more accurate and has a better system. Not bragging. I give all the credit to God. I'm just saying that's exact. Now, these are 5 seconds. These aren't long, but they are what they are. I would take them, use them, and yeah, that's what I would do. So you get this. This is $250 a month. If you're uncomfortable with all those, we do have a signal service. The signal service is exceptional at what it does. It calls out trades live for you to take. Most of them now are market order. We're switching over to market order on pretty much all of our trades. And the signal service ranges from $150 to $350 a month. I understand that you guys want to be consistently profitable. That's why I'm up here every day teaching you how to use my system. We are Stan ambassadors. The reason why I don't care if you buy the system or not is I can literally cut off this system at any time I want. We have a loyal group of, say, 400, 500 followers who are members of our system, who buy the sniper, who buy the signals, who buy the scanner room, who buy, they're in there. I can, well, first of all, without any trading and just using our Stan stores, stands like Shopify, me and Bree can live a long, 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 happy life off of what we generate each week and each month. So thank you all for being loyal followers, but we don't have to let anyone else into the group. But again, I'm allowing people into this group at this point in time now is because when I found out, which again, they changed this right before our very eyes the other day. We used to say 70. But when I found out they have 50 million active users just on TradingView, 3 million of which are paying. See, they have 70 million down here. They changed it to 50. That's funny. They did it right when we were talking about it one time. Okay. So 50 million active users, 3 million users. What that told me was there's 50 million people who are trading wrongly. There's 3 million people that giving TradingView money every month, 3 million, and they're losing money. And I went, I can't live with myself. 3 million other fellow traders losing money every month. And how do I know they're losing money every month? Because they're all trying these old-fashioned ways of trading, including trading earnings. NVIDIA beat earnings, should have gone up, went straight down. Because whenever they try Fibonacci retracement, so I know there's 3 million people losing because only less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So that means there's over 49 million people losing money every day on TradingView. Do you think I should go out there and try to reach them and help them not to lose? So that's why I keep the group open, because I was really close. Now I'm pulling back. Now I'm like, okay, I'll keep it open. I was really close at not allowing anyone else to sign up here. Super close. I kept going back and forth. I think you guys heard me probably for like 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I've been going back and forth. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Should I let people in? Should I not let people in? Should I let people buy the system? Should I not let people buy the system? And then finally, when I saw this over here, I was like, oh no, I can't, in all good consciousness, I can't let 50 fucking million people lose. I mean, it just seems unconscionable. It would be like the equivalent, but not quite, of you knew that 3 million people were going to lose their lives every month, and I don't do anything to try to help them. That's how I look at it as. Ethereum. Oh, let's see what Ethereum's doing. You're welcome, Larry. But yeah, isn't that, I mean, good morning, John Parker. Boy, did you miss a great show, John. You should go back and review it. We made hundreds and hundreds of pips on the live. I thought it was a great teaching session on gold and how to do the buy stop, and then how to do the ricochet to the buy stop. Is fantastic, John. I think you should do it. We got to I know you got snow in Ohio. I'm laughing at my brother-in-law. He lives right outside of Columbus, Ohio. He has snow. He sent me pictures. Grateful. Say thank you, Miss Maria. Good morning, John. We got a snow. Let's everybody laugh at Ohioans. They got snow in Ohio. Yeah, John, that was a really good one this morning. Really was. Good morning, Annie Apple. So again, the way I look at 50 million people using TradingView is we have 50 million traders losing money every day, and I have a way to help them. So I'm going to leave the group open for now. So everyone can still go over there and buy the system. Feel free for now. I'll keep it open for a while. I just can't close it. I'm tempted to close it. There was a while there when I really, really almost had my finger on the trigger and I was going to close it. But I'm like, 3 million people every month paying TradingView while they lose money. That's a tough pill for me to swallow. I figure I got to try to help. And Indiana snow, says Cliffy. I'm about an hour and a half north of Columbus. Yeah. So you're Ashland. You're north of Ashland. Where are you at? I will go back for sure. And it's snowing in Michigan, says Larry Cooper. Oh, Lord, you poor people. In Indiana snow. My Huskies love it. That is true. They do love that. Let me go to Ethereum. And go to Ethereum. It's bulletproof. It's ricochet. Look at Ethereum. Gee, peeps. Did anyone buy stop XRP? Keep it in the back of your mind. I wonder if Ethereum. Gee, is Ethereum a 30-minute buy stop? Yes, Yes, it is. Here's your 15-minute. Here's your 10-minute. Here's your 5-minute. Oh, there it is. 5-minute buy stops across the board before the call happened. Bye, 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 bye. And there you go. Ethereum through the roof. It ain't done. Told you that a couple days ago. Told you that yesterday. Told you that this morning. Buy, stop, Ethereum. It's bulletproof. This is nothing more than our logo. Hell, it's not even ready to bounce yet off the daily. It must be a 12-hour. Yeah, it's a 12-hour buy. It's going to pink, it's going to cross the blue. You're going to see the fill in the gap. Keep taking any buy stop you can find for at least the next 12, 24, 36 hours. Is this specific enough for you? Take any buy stop until this pink crosses this purple, goes up to this blue on the 12-hour, until this fills in the gap, until this goes above where it was previously at. Gee, anyone call it? Where's Larry at? Larry will be my witness. Here it is. Ethereum going up. Ethereum will go past. Let me be clear on this. 3278. Ethereum will go past 3400. Ethereum will go past 3500. Ethereum will go past 3600. Ethereum will go past 3700. I reserve the right to tell you if it's going to go past 4000, but I say it is unofficially until we see where this is about halfway up on the weekly, or until I see my 3 weekly come up about halfway. In the meantime, take any buy stop in Ethereum until it goes over 3700. Buy stop Ethereum. I called this back out in 624. Our amazing signal service called out. Hold on. There it is. Called out Ethereum right down here, October the 29th. Well, that was a sell. Sorry, we made money on that one. Do we not have a buy Ethereum? Hold on. Ethereum buy right there. July 23rd. So Ethereum was a buy at July 23rd. That was that really bad call. I was pissed at that. That's what's one of the things that made me fix this. Hold on, let me go to daily. July 23rd. Yeah. See, it did it here too. You would have made money, but not as good money as you should have. So actually, it would have been called there. Yeah. You're just now getting back into the money again on that one. But half moon entrance, blah, 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 would have did the right way. But I'm not, I was so pissed at the call that I modified it to do the 30-minute entries now for you. So you'll have way better entrances and way more money to be made. Oh, I'm in an hour north of, Detroit. Yeah, Wadsworth. I know where Wadsworth's at. I grew up in Lorain, Ohio. Yep. It's snowing in Michigan, Indiana, my Huskies. Wadsworth by Akron. Yes, John, I'm very familiar with that area. I don't like anything to do with Ohio. My sister lives there, and I love her and her family. Hour north of Detroit. I couldn't imagine the hell, Larry. Larry, you need to make so much money you can get the fuck out of there. I mean, you might like it, but Detroit's hell on earth, and I couldn't imagine living north of that. Yes, Biotherm. Yes, I've been calling that forever. Correct. Snow in Indy, BCM said. All right. So if I'm clear on Ethereum, take any buys you can on that for the next whatever. Now, let's take a look. Ethereum bolted up. Bitcoin's been going up. Let's see. Bitcoin moved first, then Ethereum. The last time it happened, Bitcoin moved first, then Ethereum, and then XRP. Buy stop, XRP, 30-minute. Until when? Until further fucking notice. Let me pull this off here. It's pulling too much down. It's Ethereum. It's bulletproof. Okay. So you're about to see this go up. Notice you're going to see this pink line hook come back up on the 30-minute, and this is going to go up. You're going to see XRP go up past $1.13, past $1.14, past $1.17. Just what it's doing. It's just what it's doing. It's a 2-hour buy. It's a 2-hour, 3-hour buy. It's a 4-hour buy about to pop. It's a 4-hour, 7-hour buy. It's a 12-hour buy. Love it. It's a daily buy. It's a weekly buy. It's a 3-weekly buy. Does that mean it's going to go straight up to heaven and never come down? No. Does that mean I've been calling XRP since 625 when it was at 48 cents and then at 31 cents a year before that? Yes. Does that mean it's going to go up past where everything yep. Play any buy stop on XRP until it goes over $1.20. Play any buy stop on XRP until it goes over $1.52. Play any buy stop on XRP until it goes over $2. Hope I'm clear. I've been telling you the long way. Lots of Ohio connections. Yeah, good old Ohio. I personally like the weather in Georgia better, in Alabama better, in Florida better, and Vegas, baby. Vegas policy. Da 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 da. And one Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, take some buy stops on XRP and Ethereum along the way. And don't forget about Bitcoin that we've been calling correctly for a year and a half. Look at Bitcoin. Gee, did anyone on earth call Bitcoin to go to a certain 98,000? I said between 98,000 and 102. I'll just round it to 100. But I was very specific about 98,000. And now I can tell you it's going above 100. Bitcoin above, let's go up to the next level. Let's blow everybody else's mind. And say, oh, Bitcoin's max, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin can go up. Bitcoin can go up to 10 million. First of all, the whole silliness of Bitcoin, don't get me started with. You want me to rip it, I will. Let's go ahead and look at 110,000 for Bitcoin. It will not go straight up. You will have pullbacks. Play any 30-minute buy stop until Bitcoin goes over 100 and 10,000. Play any Bitcoin buy until it goes over 110,000. And I've been calling it a buy since when? Since 26,500. You almost are going to be up $100,000 on one coin. Whoever bought that in our group, it was the wife of one of our members bought Bitcoin, was at 26,000. She bought it and held it to 70. I hope she held it until 100. She would have made almost $80,000 off of one of my calls in a year and a half. She would have literally had a full-time job off of one call. Imagine the fucking power. Then I called it again at 56,000. You're literally going to be up. You're already up over $40,000. You doubled your money almost from 56. You almost quadrupled your money since 26,000. This is insane. And yes, I called these live. Yes, we have the videos of it. Here I am calling it live of me tracking it. Here's the actual me typing out these exact words right here. 9.8 Bitcoin buy stop. Right there is the video of it. 9.8. You can watch it right there. 9.8. Well, sometimes my internet decides to work. Sometimes it doesn't. But that's it right here. So yes, these calls are all live. These are all genuine. Pooh. Crazy. DJ Pink Line cross up. Awesome, Gruliano. Almost 1,000 pips on Ethereum. Listen to Coach. Nice. Holy shit. $1,000. There you go, Larry. Can't wait to retire with system and be out, right? Screw Ohio. Good morning, John C. All right. Yes, you did. Thank you. Yeah, there's no see again. When I call out the 5 second, 10 seconds, no one can argue, no one can hate, no one can doubt. It happens live before your eyes, just like it did for NAS, SPX, US30, GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, just like all those I called out this morning. And then when you see these long-term ones where I have the actual videos here, you can't say I didn't type this out. I typed it out. You can't say that I didn't make the call out to 70,000 was at over 70,000 when it was at 26,000. There's a video right here of me showing you that I did it. And so again, the haters say that, oh, well, Kevin can use the system, but only Kevin can use the system. Only Kevin can use it. Oh, wait. Kim Harrington retired. Gary retired. Big D retired. Peter retired. Josh retired. Tommy could retire. Jay could retire. And that's just off the top of my head. We've got at least a dozen more people I'll add to this list eventually that are retired. So I guess it isn't just me able to use the system. Look at Billy. He was homeless. He used the system to become not homeless. Kevin, Thera used the system to become not homeless. One of our members became saved. If you go in the Discord, you go back over all of our trade recap pictures right here. Watch. We go from here, right? Look at this. This is me showing you a trade that I called out live for you. Here's somebody's positions. Dad Bod. Dad Bod Crypto. Here you go. There's Dad Bod Crypto. $10,950. Okay. Here's his trades, his in and outs, winning percentage. Paper and funded account. 70% off, by the way, public service announcement. If you're in TradingView, you can get 70% off Black Friday, or I think now until Black Friday. I would definitely take advantage of that. And I do believe they go to, at one time I remember seeing them at 90% off, so whatever. Okay, over here, this is Harris's best day. Congratulations, Harris. Best day so far. I love Harris. He's so full of funny. He's using the fighter things. $5,000 for him. Again, this isn't just me using the system. John Parker, 88% win rate. What the fuck is that's incredible. 90% win rate. Don't even get me started on Kick. He's trying to help educate you. He's a good man. Very good man. Look at all his trades. I'm going to have to get on to him about his win percentage, but okay. Beaver Smasher. Look, 4 days trading small account. My performance has never been better. Only time will tell. Thank you, Kevin Breeze. Don't give up. There you go. Look. Total profit, 1,462. FX Wolf. He always does fantastic. Nathan. Here's Kick again. I mean, you can just go back and back. I can literally go back a year and a half, coming up 2 years in this Discord, show you thousands and thousands of members who make successful trades. Just saying. Pretty fucking cool. Okay. That was Robel. I'm sorry, am I missing something here? We leaving for Aruba on New Year's Day. Nice, John. There you go. Get the fuck out of Dodge. And Vegas in March. Oh, nice, John. We might be there in April. We might go for April and May. Well, we might go from March and April. We'll see when we're in Vegas. I'm not sure yet. Bye, Henry. Have a good day, my brother. That was Robel. Oh, okay. Isn't Robel retired? Where the hell's he been? Good morning, Banner Video. Good morning. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We've made unbelievably good money and still going. We've made demo profits of $400 off of 400 pips. That is embarrassing. We have made 400 pips. That should be $40,000. That should be $400,000. I'm only counting 0.01s. We made $400. Jesus, that is sad. You should be so far above that. It's not even funny. All right, what time is it? About 1:45. I guess I'll stay. I don't feel like staying on till open. All right. Anybody have any questions you want to ask me? Ask away. Monthly pink too high. For Apple, we need to catch that. Daily 30-minute. I'm going to go ahead and test something really quick if you guys are okay with everything. We are going to do some testing just real quick. Not long, but I want to see something, how it works. We have to double check something for Keith. We're currently getting ready for a free upgrade for you. And this is what it is. All right. 30-minute. Oh, I do need this one open, actually. And then we need to check here. And then do I have... Hold on. Let me go to gold. Yes. Okay. Do I have the 3 months open though? Yes. Okay. All right. Here we go. What we're going to do now is pretty exciting to me, but boring to everybody else in the world. What we have coming up is this. Is this what we have? Okay. What we have coming up is this. We are testing a free upgrade from beautiful Bree and me and the great Keith Palmer. And what this upgrade is for, this is for the WD30, weekly, daily, 30-minute market, just so we're clear, market order entries. Okay. This is free on your charts for tier 3. Free signals into new Discord room for tiers 1, 2. That didn't work out good. 1, 2, and 3. Why we're doing this is for more accurate, and you're going to die when you see this, how many trades you can enter into. More accurate and more entries just in and of itself, and more entries. So watch. What I'm talking about here is this free upgrade that's coming, right, is going to be this right here. We're fine-tuning it right now, getting Keith to make a couple changes. This right here is going to be on your charts if you're in tier 3. Why is that life-changing? Is because what used to be right here, when we go over the weekly dailies, and there's 18 winning trades, right? Hold on. 18 winning trades for the weekly daily. This is for weekly daily. That number is going to go into the hundreds of winning trades. So instead of having 18, you're going to have hundreds of winning trades. So instead of making 18 trades and having $13,500, I can literally see 5 to 10 times that amount. So on 0.01s, you may be able to pull off $80,000, $100,000 in a couple of months just by doing 0.01s. And I'll show you exactly how and why. So does that have anyone's attention? So what used to be 18, which is 18 winning trades, 100% win rate, no losses, $13,500 can turn into well over, and I'm sure it will be, 100 winning trades, $100,000 since July. Oh, Robel's wife got the Bitcoin. Thank you so much, John. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Let me write that down. That has got to be put. Hold on. I won't use Robel's. What was her name? I want to say Michelle. Robel's wife got the Bitcoin. Thank you so much. That is perfect. I'm going to put that in here. She's not going to be retired. Hold on. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put down Robel. Robel's, he doesn't, if he cares, he can let me know. He doesn't know. And Robel, no one knows who Robel is. Robel's wife bought 1 Bitcoin at, it was 26. I think she bought it at 21,000. I'll just say 26K from my call on 3/8/24. Demo, of course. She did say real, but I can't. I'm not going to say that. Demo, of course. All right, so let's save that. Thank you so much. That's fantastic. John, thank you so much for saying that. The gaming milkman, I don't know. That's not what we're talking about right now. If you say it is, I'm sure it is. All right, so let's take a look again. What we're doing, Keith is taking my brain again and coding it into what he codes it into, as only Keith can do. And we're making your weekly, daily entrance trades go to weekly, daily, 30-minute market order entries. And this is a free upgrade. And this upgrade is market order entries. And to be clear on what market order entry means, I created a new room. Inside the new room right here, it says demo market order entries. Just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. So when you see these weekly dailies, and it's actually monthly dailies, and I'm explaining all that to you now, when you see this, what does it say to do? Sevens, if you understand, when I'm going over this new indicator with you, you are to hit the damn button when the signal comes up. Sevens, if you understand, you are to hit the damn button. Don't come questioning me. How do I do this? What do I do here? What do I do that? If the button comes up and it says take the trade and you get to it within the first 30 minutes, take it. If you don't, don't. Again, I'm trying to make this as easy as humanly possible. I understood the fact that none of you can really handle, well, that's not true. Most of you could not handle matching up arrows, arrow to arrow trading. So now I'm doing market order entries for you all. Just take the fucking trade when it comes. God. And some of you like fight me on this shit. I swear. Some of you just fight me on it. Yeah. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. That's what it means. Jesus Christ. You'll notice a new room in your signal rooms. If you have signals 1, 2, or 3, you'll see this room. We're going to convert all of the first time signals are also going to go up here. The almost holy grails are going to go up here. The holy grail trades are going to go up here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Now, how is it working? Well, this is what it's doing. You can see this little itty bitty thing right here. Can I make this bigger? Hold on a second. Not quite working out the way I wanted it to. No, because now it's still super small. Okay. All right, I'm just playing around. Sorry. All right, so right here, you're going to notice on these little flags, little numbers, says 3M gap. It says 3M gap. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's go back to here and see what it says. Now we're here. Still says 3 month. Hold on. Let me turn that off then. Hold on a second. Let me entertain you. Da, 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 da. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now we're going to go to the monthly. And we're going to see if we can find any. I don't know if we can go back this far. And what you're going to see on those little, yeah, we can't go back that far. Let me go to maybe somebody newer, maybe like an Amazon or Costco. Nope. Let me see Costco. Maybe this one. Let's see if we can go back this far. Yes, I think we can. There we go. All right. So then you're going to see weekly on here, monthly on here, 3-week on here, daily on here, 3-month on here. So when you see these little flags, you're going to have each and every, you can turn them off and on, whatever you want to see, but you'll see 1 week, 3-week, 1 month, 3 month. And what that's going to show you is which chart it's running up on the pink with. Good morning, Adam. Yay. Adam's out there playing old man hoops. That's fun. Good for you, brother. I have a good friend, Chris Smith, loves to play. Of course, Chris is 300 pounds. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how his knees hold up, but he does. So, right? So, hold on one second here. Okay. So, what you're looking at, again, just so we're on the same page, what you're looking at is we're testing a free upgrade from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer for the WD30s, the weekly daily market order entries. The current system is 18-0. This upgrade is going to make it basically 100-0. And instead of making $13,500, you can make probably over $100,000 by taking these trades or more, quite frankly. Just do 0.01 order entries. I'm teaching you that when you look at the signals, it'll say this is the weekly. So then you would be 30-minute and 1 week. So we'll come over to here and see what that weekly looks like. And then I test this. And I come around and I say, hey, did this go low enough? Not really to catch it, but we'll count it. And then did it go from here? When it called these trades, did it go up by the time it hit the pink? So watch what I'm saying. All we're looking at, let me go to this one. It might be a little closer for us. Yeah. Oh, a whole bunch. Oh my goodness gracious. This is money out our yin yang. Watch. Right here. Okay. So now we have the weekly chart on the left. And see, it's calling out, it's calling out golden ones too. It's calling out different trades on the monthly, the 3-week, the weekly, the 3-month. It's calling them all out. And as long as you hold the trade, so if this is a 3-month, we come over to here, we go over to the 3-month, we come over to here, and we come over to there. As long as when this trade was called out, you hold it until the pink comes up to the blue in this case. Or this is too far back. We'll never be able to do it. Let me try. Hold on. It's probably not going to even come close to letting me do this. Matter of fact, I might have blew up the whole trading view. GJ is in deep profits. Thank you, Gruliano. There. Oh, it's going to let us. Nice. Hold on. Let me go back over. There we go. All right. Now watch. This is how it works. We have the 1 week gap. We have this thing calling out right here 1 week. So yeah, they're calling these out, right? And this is your 1 week gap again, 1 week gap again. So it's calling these out. What you're going to do is you're going to hold, you have one rule. You enter the trade when one of these little banner pops up. If it says weekly, go to the weekly and you hold it till the pink goes up to this, well, 90%. It goes up. When it goes from here to here, when this is called out, I can't even imagine it ever being wrong, but a 99% correct trade as this goes up price. So for instance, to be specific and tell you when this is down here, price will be down here. When it goes up here, price will be higher. And it's going to call it out on all these 3-month, monthly, 3-week, weekly timeframes for you with multiple entrances, 30-minute entrances, multiple 30-minute entrances over and over and over again. We can count them and do them as your way up. But look, This is what you're going to see. All of these call outs that you see is going against the 3-month will make money. Every one of these, most without drawdown. Look at them all. No, this isn't the, the freedom indicator. These are just 30-minute buy stops on the way up. And these are all market order, and they all make money. All of this makes money. All of these, when I told you 100 trades, 100 trades per symbol. Look at it. All of this is making money. Every one of these trades is profitable. Oh, there's a drawdown. Nope, there would have been money in the first place in that one, by the way. And I'm still tweaking it. I'm going to make sure we don't get any of that last second drawdown bullshit thing. GJ. Okay, you're going to make me go over to GBB, JPY. Look at them all. So this is not the machine gun. I want to clarify this. These are 30-minute trades only. What you're seeing is they're being called against the 3-month, monthly, 3-week, weekly buy stop pink line coming up in this case. And it's taking into account a few other issues, obviously, but that's all it's doing. Look at them all. Look at how many fucking trades. Look at them all. Oh my gosh. All of these trades are profitable. Even this one that looks like it fell off earth is going to go up and make money for you. Look at them all. Oh my God. This is just like the machine gun. This is the machine gun. These are only 30-minute buy stops against the 3-weekly line, the 3-month line, the monthly line, the 3-week line, and the weekly line. As this pink goes up, it's, it's checking for obviously a few things, but it's making the correct call every time for you. Are you name another system, and then we'll stop making the calls technically right there. Yeah, wait till this hits your guys' head over things. December 1st, please. Christmas, baby. Grilliano says GBBJY. Let's go check GJ. Yeah. Good morning, Charlie. What's up, Charlie? You should really look over this video. It's been a hell of a nice training video this morning. We made over 400 pips, well over 400 pips. I'm excited about this, says Linda. Yep, insane profits, correct. You should be excited. Let me look at GBBJPY real quick since someone's over there having fun with it. All right, let's go to current. And let's go to, what do we call in the last GBBJPY? 1 minute. I don't know about insane profits. Are you doing the sells? Buy stop, 1 minute. GBBJPY. Follow it down. Ooh, still got that 3 minute against it. I don't care. You take the damn money. No. I mean, you can play the sells. Feel free. Knock your guys out. That's fine. Do it. Let this come down a little bit further. Let the pink line drop a little further. Let the blue line come across. Buy stop 195.217. Buy stop 195.259. If you want to play a sell, you can play your sell stop. Yeah. It was to the 2 hour. Yep. Play your sell stop to the 2 hour blue line. Play any sell stop you want to the 2 hour blue line of GBBJPY. I don't prefer, I mean, either of those trades are fine. I prefer the 12-hour daily buy up here. I just love this thing. 12-hour daily buy stop, GBBJPY. Absolutely adore this trade. Buy stop 196.218, 196.832, 197. Buy stop 195, 196.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Back at its entry of the pink crossover. What time frame, Grilliano? You have to be a little more specific. If you want me on the 15-second, 30-second, whatever you want, we can look at that. All right, let's go back. I think there was some kind of news this morning. I really don't want to play it. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Yes, so that's a well play. Yep, we're going to play under. Yep. Play any 30-minute buy stop. Yep. How is that going, by the way? GBP JPY would still play any buy stop you can find on GBP JPY. Gold 30-minute buy stop. Yeah, that's a fact. Let's go over to gold again and see what we got, though, if we can get back into it. Yes, gold is coming down a little bit. It's forming a 30 minutes. Let's go down to like a 5-minute. 5-minute buy stop. Yep, 5-minute buy stop on gold. Gold, 5-minute buy stop. It's kind of right on it. Let me go to 10-minute. 10's. Well, yeah, you guys are kind of choking this one all to hell. Play any buy stop you can on gold. Let me be clear. 2 hour. 2 hour needs to hook down. 1 hour. Yeah, I'd like this 1 hour to come down more. 30-minute. Yeah. 30-minute. No. You can put your buy stop right above where it is, 2,668, 2,200, 2,669. But I would like you guys to be a little more patient. Let this pink come down a little more. Let the purple, looks like it's going to hook with it this time. Let them cross somewhere over here and come up to the blue. Let this come down a little bit more, fill in the gap. But it is a 30-minute fill in the gap buy stop. I would just like you all to be a little more patient with it. That's all. But yeah, that's gold. Jobless claims. Fuck jobless claims. When the 1 minute crossed up. Okay, so he's talking about GBP JPY 1 minute. Let's see what he's talking about there. Carilliano 1 minute, 30-minute. Oh, you were playing this right here. Yeah. Yep. I would have probably been playing it off a different time frame though. How far back can we go though? Yeah, see, these 5 seconds to the blue lines. Boom, this would have been ideal right there. I don't know why the pink didn't hook with that. The blue didn't hook with that. So right here would have been fine. Yeah, I'd like going to the blue lines on these smaller time frames though. So this one. But yes, the 5-second right, that would have been your run up for the minute. Again, when I called it, it was right back here. And still like this, by the way. It's just going to drop a little further than hook and come back up again. Morning, Manuela. I'm running out of steam, peeps. Headlight trading, baby. Oh, still got to work on the robot. We need to review the sniper rifle with Keith. We reviewed it. I don't know what I asked them to do. To close the trades or not close the trades. We'll have to get back to that today. Whew, am I tired? All right, I got about 4 hours of sleep last night. I was up at 4. For Keith. Up at 4. Couldn't go back to sleep. Came on here. I think it was 5, wasn't it? Woo! Fun times. All right, jobless claims in a few minutes. What, 15? I don't give 2 shits. I'm not playing it. You guys do what you want. I ain't playing it. It's what I say. I ain't playing it. I ain't playing it. No, sir, Reba. No. All right. Reloading up my hydrogen water. I'm going to take my first water of the morning. I don't like drinking this early, but I have my stuff in here, and I'm hoping it wakes me up a little bit. All right, give it about 6 minutes. All right, now, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube, X, Twitch, and Facebook Live. I don't think I'm on Facebook Live. Speaking of which, how many people are here? 62, 29, about 100 people. Facebook. We need to post a Facebook up there. I would like everybody to go over to my Facebook page, get 100 followers. I'm not going to push it this morning yet, but I'll be asking you guys to head over there. Oh. 1 minute buy. Hold your horses. Well, hold on. Why am I doing that? Hold on. Let's go to the 1 hour and the 1 hour. Let's see what we got going on here. US 30. To the 1 hour. What am I confused about? What the fuck did I misread? Sell stop. So we're still over it. Oh, it's just calling a sell stop, just forming. Gotcha. Let me see. Yeah. No, I'm good on that. All right, let's go back down to the 1 second, see what we can hunt. What we can hunt. 1 second buy. Who is this? SPX. Yeah, 1 second, 5 second buy. You're going to see that pink line come up. You're going to see this gap close right here, and then you'll see that what already arched. So kind of already did it. Yeah. So let me go back over to NAS. And why isn't it showing the 5? There you go. Nope, it's not showing the 5 seconds. That's weird. I might just move over to NAS. Let me see NAS. Oh, same thing. Buy, stop, NAS, 5 second. Yeah, 1 second. You're going to see there you go. You're going to see the pink cross, this fill up. You're going to see this go up. You're going to see the price action. Yeah, you're going to see the tap. Okay, there it is. Holy fuck. There it is. Filling the gap happened right here. Boy, that was faster than I can even talk. Jeez. SPX. Yep. Filled its gap too. Let me see US 30. US 30 did it too. Yep. That was gorgeous. That was easy. Let me see if there's anything higher we can call 15 second, but it's already done that. Buy, stop. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second. Ah, fuck. Buy, stop. It's the pink just hooked. This filled in the gap, and there's your 15 second buy. You're in the money. I tried to call it. SPX already happened. The US 30 already happened. Yep, US 30 already happened. Well, fuck me. Let me just go to the 30 second and see. No, too late. Can we do a one here? Hold on. Yeah. 1 second buy. Fill in the gap. Who is this? SPX. Yeah, that's nice. 1 second. So you're going to see the purple come down, pink come up, cross, come up to the blue. You're going to see this gap fill in on the 1 second. It's going to get a little bigger because see how they're coming down. Then they're going to cross. Then they're going to come up. Maybe. There you go. There's the cross. There's the fill in the gap. And that's SPX. Same thing's probably happening on NAS right now. It is. And then the NAS is going to cross. Blue is going to come up. Price is going to go up. Yep. So watch SPX do the same thing. There's your fill in the gap. It's coming back down again to reset it again to come up. Let me see US 30. Same thing. You're going to see the buy, stop, closure. Price is going to go up. This will turn to green right here. And then you'll see the blue, see the green hook. There it is. Call this shit out all day long. All right. Anyhow. Just got you on Facebook. Thank you, Larry. Appreciate you, sir. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. But the audio is acting up like you're speaking in slow motion. Oh, no. Huh. I don't know why. It looks like it's pretty good connection. I'm on TikTok. Good morning, Kim the Candle Invalid. Good morning, Kim. Just got you on Facebook. Thank you, Larry, for getting me on Facebook. Did you know when you say something on TikTok, I hear it 30 seconds before YouTube? Yep, absolutely, Dr. One Fly. YouTube has a delay. TikTok has a better picture. You can zoom in, I was told. And good sound here. Yeah. And then the sound is way faster. I don't know about 30 seconds, but if you say it's 30 seconds, but yeah, 15, 20, 30 seconds faster. Yep. I always told everybody to go over to TikTok. I pretty much insist you guys go over to TikTok, and yet everybody doesn't do it. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can. It's like snap, crackle, pop. I don't think you can hear that, though. With the hydrogen and water. Nice. Good deal. All right. You guys tell them a little bit on the tire side. Good morning, JL Green. Good morning. Nope, not your connection. That's just the way TikTok is that much faster than YouTube. I don't know how Facebook Live will be. I'm interested to see that. This is a 1 second buy stop again. Okay, I can't even fucking answer that it's going to go up. I can't even answer this stuff before it happens. Let me go back to SPX and see. Yeah, let me go to NAS. Let me go buy stop. Buy stop US 30 fill in the gap. You're going to see this go up. You're going to see this clear here. This is going to come down. You're going to see the pink cross. You're going to see these histogram bars go up. You're going to see price go up and close this off. This is 5 second NAS. There you go. Watch. See it? There's the cross. There's it up. And then we got to wait. I'm tired. Do I have to stay the market open? It's about an hour from now. Do I want to stay the market open for an hour? Do I want to stay for market open for an hour? I think I'm going to cut out of here early, guys. Does anybody have any questions before I go? Even if the audio's in and out. Does anybody have any questions? I think I'm just going to cut it. I've been trading through open for you guys for a month now. I think I'm just going to call it. I'm tired. Buy stop, 5 second NAS. Let me see. Yeah. Yep. You're going to see the fill in the gap. Watch. Told you. Told you. Told you. See, now you have your green buy stop right here. You're welcome, Griano. All right. All right. God bless everybody on TikTok. I'm going to roll. I'm just tired. I'll holler at you either later today or, Lord willing, tomorrow morning. All right. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Everybody have a fantastically great morning. TikTok, I'm going to head over to YouTube for a minute. You see it going up, by the way. You see how it worked. This is a 5 second buy stop NAS. Watch. See the blue line rise. See it going up at the price. Anyhow, real fun. Yeah, I got tired. I'm tired. All right. Thank you guys on TikTok. Thank you, Jared, LD, Manula. You guys have a nice day too. God bless you all. All right. So that ends TikTok. YouTube, any questions before I go? YouTubers, any questions before I go? I'm tired. It's going to form another buy right here. This is going to hook down. The pink's going to hook down. The blue's going to stay across. Buy stop off the orange line. Let it go down further, though. All right. Thank you all. God bless you all. Get some rest, says Larry. You're welcome. Good point on that one. Happy trading. Yeah, happy trading to you, banner video. All right. God bless you all. Talk to y'all later. Well, that was a fun morning, but man, I ran out of steam. All right. God bless everybody. Where's that?